we are celebrating the 5th graduation. I request you kindly to take this message to the stakeholders as a calling for help and support for our institution, that is Mbarara Community Institute, in order to relieve the weight of the road by supporting the founder as he gives services to Ugandans. To the graduates, our chief guest today, let me congratulate these graduates. Today, we are celebrating this memorial graduating function here at Mbarara Community Institute. Remember, graduates, the first day you came here. And today, we are graduating. That's why I was telling you that we have not come here for burial. Today, you must show morale. You must be alive for this great achievement. The fact that you are here today, graduates, you should be a testimony of how hard you have worked, but also remember that you have a purpose on this earth that is not yet done. You came here searching for education. Our grandparent, Nelson Mandela, made a proverb and said that education, listen attentively, graduates, that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. But remember, the strong minds don't ask for permission to be great. You have been given skills, go out to societies, and you begin real business of life. The choice is yours. Nothing changes until your mind changes. Labor to take time and you find out your purpose and you pursue it with every ounce of your knowledge, energy, resource available to you. The world is changing, graduates. You must embrace technology. Technology is taking the entire world. So now, make sure you get to know what it means. And I want to commend you that you keep exploring the heights everywhere you go on this global world. Once again, congratulations to the graduates, parents, guardians, and all Mbarara Community Institute stakeholders who are attending this historical function at Mbarara Community Institute grounds today. Parents, there is a Nigerian proverb. It says that it takes the whole village to raise one child. And this means that Mbarara Community Institute has also participated in raising those beautiful graduates seated before you. Graduates, as we are flagging you, Be bold. Be courageous. Be your best. Keep trying and never fail to try in your life. Today is the 4th of July 2025. We are telling the public, including your parents who are seated for you, that you are ready and that we are flagging you out to go and serve your nation with courtesy and passion. And always remember that corruption is evil. Always remember that corruption is evil. Serve your nation diligently. Congratulations to all of you, and I wish you a safe journey back to your respective homes. Have a blessed celebration and stay safe. Knowledge is wealth for God and my country. Rugonduru Kepor, MCI Principal. Thank you for listening to me.
Yebare Engaroza Principal Mbara Community Institute. Engaroza Principal Omurundo Gundi. Ebyagamba mwe byingi na urramwe kigambo corruption obwenu bwo bushomankuzi oburiri hanga ryitu rya Uganda mwenu kwenda ngo abagraduate abariyomba graduating eri izoba okwenda mu Guzemba Community Institute kurungi muwe ambassadors barungi ryako otutikiri omushayeji ninyenda kubanza kwanjuraho Dean of Students habwa Makerere University Business School umwami turiyambuga na asafari yo mwanya ogu emeroho abantu yebaresebo okwija kutwasabwa graduation y'izoberi nintwaro mu gishogu kwakira directors mwena aba sister institutions ezambarara Rukungiri Kabare na Uganda yona mwebare kwija twabakira twaza kwakira brass band etereze music interlude then tugaruke aha program yitu mwebare munonga. aba band mwebare munonga mwebembirwe Nancy ahabwa session ejo katwakira mu mbeje bambarira Community Institute agere kiya tugambirayo
twabakira graduates bitu abazire ba guest of honors n'abejo bagenzi banjye twabakira mwena neshaba ngo ntejya amatu ngire kitwagamba narshi ogire cyo watwara aha mukorogo ekeshongoro cyanjye nkikwata abazire n'abana na buryo mwe no rya hazananisha bango kitejya amatu ochfur nkigera kiti ndebere birunja munsi y'abahurire ebyobuguzi nebyekitinisa ebirukwetengwa nebino mugasho omuzire tikintu cyo kuzanisa okineho omuzire ashemerire kusima akamanya omugasha gwe iwota mwine bambeye humure dahanga zarefuza hungure fakazi abazire bitu mwebare okwehayo kwanyu rukundo nembabazi no kutabura no kutugumisirizo mbwere mabwitu dahanga kibabare abazimure abaho mugisha abazire bitu mwebare okwehayo kwanyu rukundo nembabazi no kutabura no kutugumisirizo mbwere mabwitu dahanga kibabare abazimure abaho mugisha rukeshuri no mshorongo gwa kashatu kunabire ndio mwana mahartata ninyoroba ndio mwawe nkaharmawe nkegeswa nagumye biragiro okwarkona nuwe mzire wawe tokampinga tokayesaza ndisho omukunde cyone cyo kutangaza lahango kumukuzaza kakigenderire numwebarimwe abazire bitu mwebare okwehayo kwanyu rukundo nembabazi no kutabura no kutugumisirizo mubwere mabwitu ndahanga kibabare abazimure abaho mugisha abagabe bo kubanza emwa gwana na munana omugabe Daudi akakisimira owaye mikomtaban surmani akamuhengoma entebe y'obugabe atunanyo munda yanje hargamo mugabe amisho ganje gamwerebera omuzire wawe nakwendeze birungi konko bundo yango hinduka karma bheki hariho mwana umwe turikumanya akakura nayo ranyina omukazi ari ekimugari no mu mbeera mbi konka yayezirika yamushomesa obwire bw'okujwara kubwahikire omwana yagenda nasiga mami atubandebe bato muri Kampala nakamuga kakakikuruka nkuratire ombigambo no mubikora rebireka tubebaze tubamanye abo bantu bakuru bakozira omurimo otare mwakororwa okaferwa nyensi yandungi mbona kuwarhangara bishka tari basigaho ombigambo no mubikora rebireka tubebaze tubamanye abo bantu bakuru bakozira omurimo otare mwakororwa okaferwa nyensi yanungi mbona kuwarhangara bishka tari basigaho efume yoro mwana warazire umuruka 15 11 akaraisisha yamanyangu yaheza ubona kubuka byamushobera ebintu byamuhaho yahimbagirirwa yachwa mukwete isakagarukirishe atakiri nanye mbonwa haba huku ishe yamwakira no kujaguza no basa kuboryoko ryo munyeto ushumire oyino murimo murungi norebo muzire nke kitakugasha oyewe ahakurabize umugurusi ahanzire bunaku hono yebwa nagari mezi mwenda bagenzi banje mureke twecureze tubanywane tubiheho mugisha ombigambo no mubikora ndebereka tubebaze tubamanye bo bantu bakuru bakozira murimo otare mwakororwa okaferwa nyensi yandungi mbona kuwarhangara bishka tari basigaho bantu mwo muzira shemerire kusima akahabwe kitinisa okijko rugendo rwakurabzemu okamuzumuro kamurwandi hato ndanga tumuzugu ayemerire niwe wachimushaba nachikwereza ohanguse myata nakwereza obwanzi ohendera obiro muhanguzi numwe barimwe abazire bitumwe bare okwehayo kwanyu rukundo nembabazi no kutabura no kutugumisiriza mu bwere mabwitu ndahanga kibabare abazimure abaho mugisha abazire bitumwe bare okwehayo kwanyu rukundo nembabazi no kutabura no kutugumisiriza mu bwere mabwitu ndahanga kibabare abazimure abaho mugisha
yebare Rita ekeshongore echo chanchikwata haritwe twena na munonga graduates beri izoba na nitwitwe abakiryo mu kushoma nabanisha batwena tweterine tere Rito mungaro kandi message yana tereza tijito mituma yitu kandi tutambuze tokamanya Reverend twakwakira yebare kwija nja kutwara mu gishogu turukuza kwakira Director Mbarara Community Institute muringo go mutano nyengera kwakira chief guest witu. We welcome you so much, our chief guest Dr. Wilfred Nahamia. Twakira guest of honor hariyo muhanda arakache kwikaha honorable mwine mpaka twaro mu gishogo kwakira road mayors abariyo mwanyogu n'abariyo nebija ninyakira bakuru b'amadini bebembirwe abita ba All Saints Church mwebare kwija nyakira abebembezi bona abyo bw'ubutegeki ahandengo za district ahandengo za amashaza n'ahandi hona division mayors chairpersons LC5 abaryaha education officers abaryaha bakuru ba institutions meno kumuryaha twabakira abo barimu ba principals harimo ba director of studies academic registrars deans of students twakira members ba directors link forum abaryo mwanyogu twakira members ba bumba ejoniyo Bushenyi Mbarara Association twakira Kiswahili Landlords Association twakira financial institutions eziryaha ba members abaryaha abebembirwe banks managers ba banka sakozi nanitwa boguza center habuntu money lenders kandi abagerezo kuyambi hangeri no kirabe kitakwikiruzwa konga tuba kweta niyo kwetwarayo twakira board members bambara community institute twakira the Mubs alumni fraternity mwebare kwija twakira continuing students twete romungaro mwebare kuchuzinga mbara community institute mu institution zona no wonder Mbara Community Institute is where knowledge is wealth. Twachira staff members Bambara Community Institute. Twachira abazire n'abareberezi babana nimwe bagenyi bito abakuru. Abeji Yesu bomba manyangu no bagenyi bakura kugira ngo bajwire ngo firezo konka bajwira abwanyu. Twabakira mwebare kwija. Twachira neighbors Bambara Community Institute ahituri Kiswahili, Chindi, Rugazi, Katete, Prisons, Boma, Mbara Town Center, mwebare kwija. Ndwachira neighbors ba director, Hama Kagegari, Rwentondo Kakoba, mwebare kwija. Ndwachira banywani ba Robert na Eustace, hamwe nitwe banywani ba Mbara Community Institute twena, mwebare kwija. Twachira media fraternity aba radio west aba TV west abendi jito Great Africa mwena ntubachira kunkikanshongejo ninja kubagambara hweki ngo kutwa constitutinga graduation twebembirwe our chief guest interviews zone zirkwetagwa korwa abanyamahurre kanchi garkemu interviews zone zikwenda korwa abanyamahurre nizakorerwa aha ground zez. That is the procedure of the graduation of today. Don't spot these academicians as they move to remove those gowns and you make a follow-up. You will not get any interview. The occasion is on these grounds. I thank you. Twachira abanywano ba Robert Nishomero, twachira ababa twendeze birungi okurge 2013 negisha. Umuringo go mutano Bantumangu Nyakire, chairman LC1 wa Kiswahili Cell, umwame Basime Francis yimuko hubiro abantu nawe yija kandi arwanirire community east west north and south kugira ngo yegumeho kurge 2013 akoba chairman LC1 yaja teje institution etatambaro umwanya gwanje te kubasagumizamu we bari umwame Basime n'abantu mwena twabakira kandi ntubashaba ngo mu bukare obwo ruhanga ryo murinzi witu. Service providers Bruno Events twabakira abanyabuzare ba Robert, abanyabuzare ba Eustace, abanyabuzare ba Robert bebembirwe nyinabo naija Robert kumwanjura n'abarumuna n'abanyanya, abanyabuzare ba co-director Eustace abarumuna bakurube bebembirwe ishebo nabo nibija kwanjurwa omu capacities ezo mwena abantu abijaha aha mukoro gw'eriizooba twabakira munonga mwebare munonga ashaha egi nintwara omugisha ogu okwakira directors Bambarra Community Institute okuhayo orubazo rwabo. We welcome the director and the co-director to give in their speech. Thank you very much.
The chief guest, the guest of honor, honorable members of parliament around, Lord Mayors, LC5 chairpersons, division mayors, local government leaders, education officials, religious leaders, heads of institutions, board of governors, parents and guardians, our teaching and non-teaching staff, distinguished MCI alumni, graduates, students, friends, well-wishers, all invited people, ladies and gentlemen, I warmly welcome you all to our 5th graduation ceremony here at Mbarara Community Institute. Our chief guest, allow me to inform you and this congregation that Mbarara Community Institute was started in 2012 with only 7 students. Abazire bitu nimbakira kandi nashemerwa kubaha nimwe mwene kurabira umugenyi wito mukundwa nyenda kumanyisa mwena Mbarara Community Institute ekatandika mu mwaka gwa 2012 eze shantu zaguze emyaka 13 kandi tukatandika twina abana mushanju bonka kandi obwe tukurentinga konka indu gambira aha ahari Mbarara Community Institute omwanya oguturu no gwitu kandi tuyina abana bingi munonga kibuga kitu kya Mbarara Community Institute. Nyenda kubamanyisa Mbarara Community Institute ni institution of higher learning kandi registered. We are free registered. Can't win the center numbers. Kurabura mu kitongore echimbe numayanka DIT ningashi UBTEB kandi hati kitweta UVTAB. Aha level ya certificate na level ya diploma nangwana nezo courses enche ezabwire bugufu omeza 2 ameza 3 na no mwaka gumwe kumenya mutukatandika kare twine center number ya business UBB 019 echikoreka ngo umba first born itwe turumu washangu ine center number 17 mu ihangeri no botangwe nsima munonga tukija tongerwaho umugisha twayigita na Makerere University College of Education and External Studies to examine and award certificates and diplomas in the following courses. Kandi zikushumisa ubwaha ushanga twinemu child care, tugera are child development teacher education, kandi hati bongere batuhereza umugisha ngo tushomese diploma in are childhood care and education, a diploma bayongera bajya ngo tushomese diploma in primary teacher education. Itwe ngwitu ngo kushomesa kongo go kubuza no ku examininga no gwa Makerere University. Bwenu wahora umwana wangu ariana seri teaching aha, bwenu mangu nakora bigezo bya Makerere University. Kandi cyo kunshemeza munonga inda kubamanyisa documents zone zikwereza aha ziri well recognized aha itustami ko muri Mbarasite nango no muhangari yetu ya Uganda kandi nensi yona icyo nsima ngo abana bitwa bakweza ayibaza bafuna mirumo kandi ntekateka bazire na guardians mbasa kutujurira ngo nababtiyo tujwekeze sha ninteka tangu buri omwe no murumo because mwana yanaza kweza ate exams ntandikiraho organization zona zijaha zikuronda abeje bambarira Community Institute. Inshongero keretejo academic excellence discipline nibishango mu kibuga iki cyambarira Community Institute. Our chief guest and the guest of honor eto agambo bana agambo hebe byaruguru tukugira ngo bibireho tutineho challenges. Tufunemu some challenges where we have inadequate funds to undertake the following. 1. Construction of permanent buildings where the new laws us to have workshops. Omujenye mukuru no chimanyeje ngo new act na wa director tayo anja bariya twine rutaro rwa workshops kandi tibyanguhi konka ntugezaho mpora mpora. Purchase of instructional materials nka computers, typewriters n'ebindi nkebyo nitseretera omwe byatkwata mukache. Let me take this opportunity nisha abantu bari mu gishogo nsime abazire bitu bambara Community Institute, nsime guardians omishoga abantu ababona mwebare kushomeseza mbara Community Institute basibona banyabo kandi sima mnonga ukwira ngo twashoye kabejaba cyo kimanyisa ayitwa torabiri naharingwa kurabira umushashora school fees nebindi kuza kushoma imyaka 2 semesters ina nikiba kitangwe bati nsima abazire na guardians na no mutumo gumwazire no bwese go mwatutire mukambara Community Institute kureba ngo umutereza bejaba tukaba tradinga kandi tukabiha mati ekibari muterero hango mungara bwecyo. To you graduates, you successfully completed your courses in various fields. Congratulations. Konkanyira kwa message graduates that graduating does not mean you have escaped poverty. Tuwa chura nsigamu nyankore okuja mutwa kujwekeze shaba kuteka hoki ekijwaro tikumanyisa ngu obworo wakora ki wabuchena. Making money is another different curriculum. nyetegereza tukushomisi wafuna document twakwereza iby'umukono abona bari abaye bashoma bya secretarial accounting byo kombeka bya mize by'amashanyarazi bya saruni byo harane byo kuteka hotel management n'ibindi konka inda kwamanyisa graduating does not what now your greatest weapon is your mind obwenje bwo obwenje bwo ino mutwomo ngo burije kuyamba. So train it to see opportunities, not obstacles. So be wise. Jezo training mind yawe emanya kureba ebirungi kongeta rebire ki ebibi nibwe orayice ahicyo rukwenda. Please be wise graduates now. Graduates, go and serve the world, and as you continue to provide services, always remember our motto. Knowledge is what? Obwenje no bujarachi? Obwenje no bwiga is our motto. Na bwecho naho raboro hona, gomono yishuka motto yitu ngo bwenje nichi? No bwiga. We call upon all parents, zokushaba bazire, shabe guardians, all well wishers. Tubashenga mwongera beji mutongera abana Mbarara Community Institute musini kimwe beja bije bashome ahari Mbarara Community Institute ahabwo koba umwanya guruho kandi yesine kimanyangu ayitwa ikatabi tiyo tugendo misho. Ladies and gentlemen, coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress, and working together is success. Nimanyisa ki basebo nabanyamwe n'abeserwe okwija kwanywaha ine student kwatanka abambara Community Institute ninda kubamanyisa kamutari aheze shaka tutaro kamutara twire bana baziremwe heze shaka tino mukorogo bwe nishaba ngutugumize mutwatanise nubwo turayike aha turukwenda omagara gitu iza kubamanyisa okushoma ntugumizamu. On behalf of my fellow directors, I would like to remind you that we are still giving out a bursary of 100 per semester to all our certificate students who wish to upgrade. Iyo wenda kuza diploma wenda gumizamukahi buri semester ntwantu kwire mitwari 10 kugira ngo at least zikuyambe nkuwa tukira kizakasimo nkuwa shomire aha ahari Mbarara Community Institute. Umuryecho nitwara umucyo kubamanyisa ngo abeje bona bagumireyo. Ladies and gentlemen, nza kubantu bakira 219 okwa 8 konganza kubantu bakira honor and honor business students, accounting and finance, secretarial, business management, public admin, journalism. Ezo course nzo kubantu bakira level ya certificate nachi na diploma. Konga tekenuko aho ntuza kubantu bakira honor diploma, tekenuko not certificate. Ekikwereka ngo yineza kwijo kwa kabiri omwaka oguru kwija. Before I conclude, the chief guest, I would like to remind you that we are still giving out. I would like to thank all those people who appreciate our services as Mbarara Community Institute. Njya kutora umugisho kusima mwena abo kusima ebikorwa mu kibuga cya Mbarara Community Institute. Mwena tubasima tine bugarukiro. Omuryecho twinomba nywani bitu twinoba alumni well wishers politicians buri omuntu kwashitamya. We are humbled and happy for loving and appreciating our services at Mbarara Community Institute. That's why some of our friends and alumni have shown up concern about our wooden home in Mbarara City. Ladies and gentlemen, mwabatutamya bagenzi bitu, banywani bitu, friends, well wishers, neighbors, directors, OBs and OGs, bizire no kugira ngo nyenda kubamanyisa batakarebere nyuma uku main horo yitu nemba hata ntanukira mu kibuga iki tugumiza mu tuzokwe nyuma turenge nyuma nabicoko niba koraro wagumiza mwoko kandi nyuma yimwe bazere mushita mwoko ruguru hata bojoko niyo bari kandi wayambuka seri okuhona ni classes nango na seri no witu hona tuyo tugezaho kurango Mbarara Community Institute hina yitwaza nyenda kubamanyisa ngo tukagezaho kwa yaringitaka ngo kumukareba konka twinetiza ubu cyo kombeka cyo kurebera aba well wishers friends na alumni bazengwitwe main horegeye yembaho tukugenda mu kibuga cya Mbarara City bahona rebozi nimbareba aha ba well wishers bashitanye bajya ngo please main horo muri Mbarara City te kwitagwamo yembaho nahabwecho bizire bini program ibini jangu biyewe mbahwezo. I need to inform you no mare mu mpire steka tegwe cyo mukija mukangambira well wishers na OBs. The directors have had a long-term plan to improve the wooden home. Tubire twine steka teko kuruga kare na kare nyenda kubamanyisa nkaye musuko yagamba aha. Steka teko uruhanga nacu kutire mukare ngo no kurugaho iki hariya na wajirota no koraki no ikaho umuryecho nda kubamanyisa ngwitwe tubire twine mu tukagutandika isteka te kuchaza 2012 twatandika konka hati muri kureta kuyaho wooden woods tubine proposal yo kugira kindi istwateka aha ground ntabwo ntakongera. Ladies and gentlemen, I now, before going far, let me invite the reverends around, headed by Reverend Kasigas, to unveil our dream home of Mbarara Community Institute and give it a blessing. I request DJ 1 point, then as we proceed. Nani shaba ba Reverend bitu okwataka zindaro kandi agiro watwira omwendo gwe pore munyikirize nyoreke dream eitwino mutwe hitkuze nayo konka ko bazengu tubihe mbaho atoye na utusherere izoba ubundi mukamanya ikitura kiriyo mutwe ngo kitakagire ki kitakarebekire.
Mukama simwe kamutagaruka mukama simu twenda kusimara hanga ahabwa Mbarara Community Institute kandi nabwo buhereza burungi ubwo kuhereza kandi no kutereza mu gishogu go ku unveilinga ninga kubereka kiroto ekibi no mutwe kandi twahirwa twagiye yungwaho Canon atwine mywanu wetu retired archdeacon wakozire ni tomuru mu muhango mbene tuza ku unveilinga rero Reverend J atshabire kandi Canon atshabire umugisha kandi ashabire mwina bari yaho umugisha mugire kimwayorekwa ahabwe cyombe konkeki mbene hati twaza kwatanisa
Madam banzo ije twigure njweji twantujigura tube turhamwa nanza kwanjura nyuma konka banzo ika
ija ko director actually ijo twase na chairman body of governors n'umugenyi mukuru kuko mwesirwe mwije tuyigure hamwe. DJ yanabaha akantu konkanda nakabima mwizira. Aha, na principal yacu manya. Bueno, DJ, thank you. Tukwatanise na timeji tuenda kubanjurira kandi no kuboreka ikiroto ekiri kutekateka kutebwa aha Mbara Community Institute omu izina rya Tateitwe neryo mwana neryo moyo kwera. Ona timutere ngaro nimwe kamwine wasiwasi. Katuchonge omikono ya Mukama.
Katushabe Ruhanga Tateitwe, Ruhanga Omwana, Ruhanga Omwoyo kwera. Twenda kusima kandi n'okwebaza abantu ntuteekateeka okukiriza Mbara Community Institute ekateekateeka izobe rya graduation kandi ryabaho ntukusiima Ruhanga mwene bateekateekere nk'abantu Mukama tukushaba Omwoyo kwera okomorra byona obakomorrere obigurreho oshumye emigisha yawe kuruga omu iguru n'abamarayika bakwatanise n'abantu b'omu nsi omu ahabw'okuba Ruhanga ebintu byona eby'omu nsi n'ebyawe esente zoona ezikwetengwa ahabw'okuta ekyombeko ekyo ekiri ekirooto omu reality Mukama oziine kora ekyokutangaza Taata korra omuri itwe abari aha korra omu baruminayi korra omu banywani biitu and all the stakeholders that are present here, that this dream will come to be a reality, oh God. We want to thank you, Heavenly Father, for the directors. We want to thank you for the principal and staff. We want to thank you for the chief guest and the guests that are here. We pray that you continue to make this dream a real, and this Mbara Community Institute will become a real community under this planet Earth. We thank you, God. We praise your name. Through Jesus Christ we have prayed.
Kandi omugisha gwaranga obushoborozi bwona Tateitwe Omwana n'Omwoyo kwera gube hari administration institution egi omugisha guba invited guests na guest of honor na nabandi bona bagenyi bakuru bari aha n'abaziri abana bona baza graduating izoberi abatuhera omugisha kandi muwore kwecho bahotebwo muyishwaga babase kukihagira no kucyomugisha no kukikwasa kikatunga esente zo kucyombeka abatwere mwena mbikoreje kandi bimisigize naryo mwanya ogu omujya rya Tateitwe neryo mwana neryo Mwoyo kwera Mukama agumene imwe
DJ nani shabangu tuwena tero munga twakirishya razwashabirwa aha Ruhanga tero mu mugisha. Thank you. Bwenu basebona banyabo ayendo gambara ekintu kitweriye bo mishwa niza kuba cyemerera side ejo plan egi nyuma yabagura Rwanda yibarugaruka ko nyuma ndeno kunza abantu kora imikoro ndisho konka plan niba bazire byona nibyoreka kuri nyuma ninja kushaba arochishane cyo kiri yawo noza kuciyamo ndene cyarabyo yarabyemo barebe exactly studio tugamba ni kimwe cyonka kiriyo umuryecho ninza kushaba. As I conclude, I need to appreciate the following people. Munyikirize tutaza hari munonga harumu abinkushaba mbanze nsime cyo kubanza nza kusima ubu ni mu ngeri yo kwanjura umbwire buke abazeyi bitu abo kurga abanzayire mwemerere mucyara wanje yemerera muzeyi yes nza kushaba yemerere tinguza kugira ngo kuzombi time teroho so ogwe numuzeyi witu kandi ukunzara umucyara ogwo uri omishoke kandi ogwe numawe nuwe antumagara genseje kandi ija barumuna banje n'abaryaha kuri wagese raba namurebahi aha ogwe numukuru wanje ogwe numumunanje doctor ogwe Dr. Asa nawe mukuru wanje so ninyisiga ngo abone bijaho abinkoreba muza kunkiza nyanjireho abana banje kwa bari hihi konke nabanje bari yishomero bazanka yakiza Robert arahi ahumuza shana mujabwe natimwe nabo abo nabana banje through you chief guest ninja kutwara umugishogo kusima nga chief guest bwana Dr. Wilfred Nahamia, we are humbled for you to be with us here at our 5th graduation ceremony. A big hand clap to our chief guest. It's okay. Abana nubaba kandi umukuru wabo ogwe ari yishomero erevo ebya erevo no manyata kargaya. So you qualify to go and sit. And before you go, munchize wizere natungo muchagwa man kufunaho director no mucharawe na principal wa Nsambya Hillside Schools both Kampala na Mbarara Western Campus umuringo go mwikirize mwemerere imangu mza kwengera kumanywa konka aha now hatogo mwananje ni yahari kandi umukuru yakoze reki ni yamariri please maintain achiza Robert nareba head teacher wawe tikumanya wari inkahi oh you are there head teacher kabateri ni Memorial Primary School ngwari yanyuma aho sebo nuza kufuna ubwire yogere mu manyane but as of now humbled to be with you here kandi ogwe noine amanya on P7 kandi ogo obije bakikiye na baryo mbebe kerasa yo nagambo rujungu hati munchirizo 50 Nsime board of governors kandi shabe taking a step emwe mucha one step board of governors abarho MC niwe hono tika mokanto bantu batambura basebo nabanyabo amamanza gumukuru mishoganyi nabanda batakizire kandi abakiri umuhanda nebija abantu bo bukurakoranisa ishomereri Eryambara Community Institute ninda kwamanyisa nkoko kubareba hono rangu ubwenge burumu nicyo kurebera community negendo mission now and then Iza kubagamba ho nyowe kace ncyumba reke mushitame Ogo wa muheru mamweta bya mukama Amos kandi aine iduka y'amani by'amashanyarazi Garage Street. Aho ndio nimanyisa youth tabekere kwetaga tuntu steko munkora as of now, kandi that is kokuturi owakorataho ni chairman LC1 kandi chairman waba chairman bona omurimba raste bwana Basime Francis kandi ishomero ahitwa atandikiri numangu tukatangira ni Penis Park hari haruguru twashumba mu Kiswahili cya ifaha nanga twagumwa twayambuka twazo muri kindi sero nabwo yatima ya chairman wa ruha wa kindi na uka mwanjo rawo stand up for recognition wa ruhihi good owakurataho numuzei kandi omuhingi farmer omurubu hweju na Ugandeji abakuruga buhweju niyesiga numanya muzei marungi omuhingi wa bijuma ningasho omuhingi wa apples mwene bikwatere nebyo omuyanga ryona kabe muzei president namanya because aramwishyikiro so ubwo no mugisha mango gutwina owakorataho bamwita engineer twino mujini yoram kandi ogwe akarabiro muri community yashoma advanced obwirobwe yashoma civil engineering yagiheza diploma kandi yagarika yashoma dite nkomushomesa nabwenu umuringogo omusitongore cyawo umujyenyi mukuru cyenda hafu na mukagapu nawo umukwatara mukono noraye ayitorabire ntaringo wari umukadeni byebyo. Thank you bwana Charles Atamba ogwe ni yesigota kumanya mu Uganda mutaroho nabwe Charles Atamba exactly now ogwe no mushubuzi mukuru omurembo rwambarara company zeza ino muteze kubarua kandi nawe yatere sumo baninkahi nibajihurira hamwe nibibuze kutura muri imbarara bibuze ngo tuba twine manzi zitaro kubuza kozi yatere sumo tino rwaraki orugarkam nana yanjuri yarwaju Madam Ajuna Eustace business administrator Mbara Community Institute kandi kutukuza amheru kuriya omucharogo namara akre really ni director co-director wansambya Hillside Schools kandi in business nyingi muri Kampala ntsima kuija kandi ukija nakito director kama nje bari kuvuga kurga Kampala kija. Thank you bwana Kangume Sara umucyara muhangogo nyira kubamanyisa ogwe catering services zone z'abandi zo mu Rembo rwambarara kandi na hati obandi decoration obandi tents obandi catering obandi buri kimwe niyesiga binje bambarara nokora ki numwetegereza kandi na hati niyesiga ngo nuwari natebekana zo kwenyuma n'abataba n'abahara nza kugenda hinistiro munda na muno invited guests bwene mutije kurugaha tinisitorevere mu cyaro guki yatebekana sasa tinja kwererukana muzei umukushangwa kwataka zindara gambe kigambo kimwe because ni muha respect kandi we chairman board of governors here at Mbarara Community Institute. One word
kigambo kimwe cyari kwenda ninza kukorectinga ningashi nabakwita cyo umunyankore correction okutashye nyene ishomero ritaratangire 12 akonye wenka humura omwaka gw'2011 kandi nkasiga yizire kunsaba urusango atandika ishomero ampa nasiga namukwasa bunasigira mu ntebe mbuni ishomero ritaratangire 12 rakatandika enyuma ho niba kukimanya yenda kwebaza munonga basebona abanyabona munongo mugenyo mwito mukuru abo kujya kuba nitwe okutungura eishomereri tukuzagamba binja kwa babigamba kunga twenda kwebaza bazire mwena twenda kwebaza ba guardian twenda kutabarushya abagore b'eriizooba kandi twenda kuhaya ababe enyuma yitu abo tukweta continuing students nari babeeta current students bantu mwe bakigamba knowledge is wealth mind yanyu mugire ki mugitebeekanise gye mwebale munonga.
mumwikirize bwa kushitama mwebale munonga. Omuringo nigwo gumwe ninza kusiima religious leaders mwemerere muhubiriho abantu kandi we are humbled because tutwire nimwe kandi hature nimwe mwebale munonga. Ninza kutwara obugishogu nsiime road mayors kwa kwahina bakireho road mayors akaruru katwasiremu nimana baryane imbabazi. LC5 chairpersons, division mayors inabatwikiremu, honorable councillors nanishangu mwemerere muhubireho abantu honorable councillors. Thank you. Ababona nabitu bambarira site kandi shani yo kwikanabo muhurira kuba kubasagamba nimbe kugenda omesho. Ninja kusima education officials around. Ayi muri mwena nishangu mwemerere education officials around. Numuza kunchiriza nsime kandi nyanjure doctors around. Nanisha wangu mwemerere muhubiraho abantu narebaho Dr. Titus Thank you for coming Dr. Titus nabanda bakobarumu ndeba Jennifer waye bush yarko aro Dr. Nanasi kantumanya ngo kwatiriri hangeri. Thank you. Nishabangu nsime abashubuzi bo mu Remboru nangona heru yaro stand for recognition abashubuzi numwende bitirise bindish exactly wama hatogo no mucyara ryaka ko round umushubuzi mukuru buri kimwe cyona ntoyiki noshene cyo kunywa cyaraga nko kubyo ne bitore ntukozesa indaba miro bakatambara bashejamwe kare ninza kushaba nyanjure my fellow directors stand up for recognition all directors principals mama shomero stand up for recognition. Wow, hurin kwatansa deba bazire kirya ababona no ba directors no ba principals deba barubirizi aba Spice Institute this is very serious. Abakure ni shaka misida watu bandizo mwihanga Rwashamire vocational Rubindi vocational achievers really I'm humbled discovery this is serious. Mbara college mbara compre you sit mza kweyanjura please obwire buriyo cause mwena nimbareba dynamics still tadya I'm humbled please. Nida munchirize ngarike twari mu gishogo nsime our teaching staff stand up for recognition ayimuri please teaching staff teaching staff stand up for recognition. Yes abo nubamwe abari naha abandi bari yo merumo nsime alumni MCI can you stand up for recognition. Abo bayemerera n'abantu abashomira aha kandi abintu batambara nitwe neze sha turamwe tutambara hamwe ojuke nimwe abajwire gawunuzi numbura yo kace tukabeta alumni tumukurinzi izobere basebona banyabo mukajoininga the other group nembabazi can have a seat niena twari mu gishogo inyakire isingiro group banywando banje from isingiro by head teachers headed by Yoram arahi ndebesa hata kubara yanjire bwo muri amayikuru gisingiro bukanga secondary area mwebare mushitamenza kongera tuganira ikibuga n'ikiyito rizoba nyenda twikirize nyanjure kisoye landlords kumwa kwa muru yina baruho members bakisoye landlords association stand for recognition yes abona bakisoye landlords association kandi ayibantire mwamasiko abazire mwe hurorebe aba bashiye bakanta mu bwesije bampindura chairman wa kisoye landlords association umurimba rastemba bazona director mbara community institute gwebe mbere manzezi kurugata soreba police prison zumtown kuriya perekani bona ngubebe mbere nembabazi kumukamwe bari kumuta mu kitindisa ayi humbled please nyenda kusima kandi nyebaze tinkumanya bumba for members abona babushenyi mbarara foundation stand up for recognition bushenyi mbarara foundation members stand up abariyaha chairman wenga no kwemera bana magara nani nyimusi aba bumbafo konka gumushita we chairman nkureba so is the chairman wabanda kuruga bushenyi mbarara bineke bina twine mabarubiriza mbarara foundation stand up for recognition wakwasaka bari hi yes rubiriza mbarara for stand up oh wonderful munyikirize nyanjure instructors b'amashomero aga driving schools now mbara community institute tuinanishe bene tweta mbara community driving school training okuvuga motoka nebindi kandi tuino ba members bingi abina bemirwe tomu nabandi stand up tunabareba good narewa akashaka good thank you yina munyikirize mfuniro mugisha ombwire buke baseho nabanyonza kubasha bateke mu kitinisa omudashikemwe twemerere twakire honorable witwa Mbarara City South honorable Mwine Mpaka is in the house honorable twakushemererwa a big hand clap members wonderful highly welcome please ngenda munkirize nsime current students mwebare kujoininga Mbarara Community Institute clap for yourselves nienda kusima abazire na guardians tumwemerera na tukamayo muriyaha abazire ba graduate zaba abayino bajwara mwena mwemere tumengo muriyaha wonderful twashemererwa abantu mwe hamwe nbatsuka mu ishogo kubanza tukaganiraga hamwe but nimba shaba gumugume mkunze Mbarara Community Institute ngo kumwagijamo ranga ariyo muhezi witu mwebare umuryecho niza kutwara mu gishogo sime abatuze banje nawo hatunyoye kuturizira umuryebi hatwashita makakoba rwentondo mbweni nabari aba rwentondo abatukire nishaba gumwemerere mbakira mu kibugeke rwentondo sir inabari seri abo baza seri please aba rwentondo okwe nahi nkutura kandi amakaganje nawo permanently omurimba rasta igashitami kandi omuryecho na honorable Mwine Mpaka ogustamya watahamu hatu nomutuze witu wa sero natwe members yes wa rwentondo sero temba wazikutura na MP kare munyikirize insime neighbors aba Kiswahili aba Kindi bona bakwasa kuba baryaha abitwesire mwemerere nde mwamwisha Kiswahili yes aba Kiswahili Kindi exactly yes hatukureba mwebareba se bona banyabo ija kutwara mu cyo kusima aba Kindi boda riders barwa Kindi boda riders ina barho debe man zirebe nyuma ukureba seri na shemana wabona imbare hariya sebo Rogers yebare drive itu akora umutawo no mwabatakizire numuza kugireba TV na burahamwe hona kuruga hato mwazi kandi bamahurire bona baryaha nangwa arho na link mwaza mukutugwitu bariyo babyoreka live right now nisiga ngo muri no mberebera aho bituye tugamba right now koze buri omwe arya umuryecho umuryecho nyenda kusima abamahurire mbona barya abamahurire mbona ayi muri burinkai no abanyamwa baryo ko okay so konka twina abamahurire binji twinahona TV stations umuryecho twina abajini TV Revival TV TV West Tayari TV abo bona bimba kwata amahurire gitu kandi mu radios twe tushabire tugire abantu bace abitwina mwaba Radio West Cruise Grace Radio Revival Radio Great African Radio BFM Radio ezo radio nche nizo twine ground za umuryecho nduguza kuhendera niza kushaba madam ko director gambe kigambo kimwe ntiyo concluding speech yanje tugumizemo no mukoro 1-1 thank you.
Our guest of honor, the chief guest, invited guests, abishiki banje n'abojo banje dashemererwa abazire abageze kutwe sente zanyu nimba sima ntine bugarukiro mwebare kutwe sente zanyu mwebare kutukorera yenda kusima omujaratu wanje dina ninkushawo yemerere mwebare kwija mukoro gwitu no mucara director Nsambya n'abacara mwena bijaha nimba sima ntine bugarukiro ba sister banje baba roho I think they are doing something behind there think manyagumya wa roho ninga nizesi you stand up for recognition. There is my brother Anitwe Dennis Saras, you around here, thanks for coming. The head teacher in Zambia Hillside, I appreciated for you coming here. God bless you. Otherwise nimbendeza bazire kugaruka yo kurungi abeju banje nabwe mwakuziri nimbendeza emigisha no kubone emirimo yanyu gukora je bakama banje alumni. I respect you people, thank you very much. Otherwise I wish you the best. Thank you.
The chief guest, Dr. Wilfred Nahamia, Deputy Executive Secretary, UVTAB, and our guest of honor, Honorable Mwine Mpaka, MP Mbarara State South, and the gathering. We humbly appeal to you to remain very close to us, where possible, assist and or network Mbarara Community Institute to higher authorities and other aid-giving organizations so that we can be much better placed in Mbarara State and Uganda at large. The chief guest, the guest of honor, allow me thank you and thank you again for sparing time to join us at this historical occasion for Mbarara Community Institute. Finally, it is my pleasure, on behalf of directors, to invite the following volunteers to take us through their program briefly in connection with the Dream Home Mbarara Community Institute. I will call the alumni. The MC, Bwana Barnabas, will take over in 10 minutes. We need to finalize that session. We proceed with graduation. The well wishers, friends, za kwimukiromo kugira ngo tu bana basa nakongera kutugambira because ekitwine nko kuba banjurira ekitwenda tusimbe cyerizoba konke cyangwa kitwetaga ni foundation ahas kandi bana basa no kumanya okuba bibazire konka ni yesiga kutuba bintu bara umurimo wo gona no gwetaga 2.3 billion. No, 1.3 billion. 1.3 billion kuza kwika a level etwetaga. But as of now, so abwize shantwenda ground floor yonka noza kureba ori cyandikiraho deno kitugambire abwize sha tinkumanya ndi kuza kwakira twesireho financial institutions kozi twe twakira kasha basewa nabanyabo numbuhorra hasa ibiri nshonga aha notekwa ku bankinga kandi twine accounts zitu on different what banks bwintu inaba centenary stand for recognition kuba kuba inoria Bank of Africa, Opportunity Bank, Ebosako, This is very serious. Okay. Now, let us proceed. Na niza kushabotaka ogwataka zichi yagamba jire chi wagambaho then alumni umwete agichi yagamba nabandi batandikiraho onko mudakiki 10 twenda ngo mukorogo tubentu closing tuze agura jitu bikabana bitu turyo mu kibugeti. Thank you.
Mbarara Community Institute yabare director habwa speech yawe nani nshaba tutere director omungaro zamani tutere ko director omungaro zamani tutere nitwe abaryaha ingaro zamani nintwaro mu gishogu okongera kwakira Dr. Wilfred Nahamya ogu ya ijanka representative witu o Ministry of Education, Science and Sports na teknolojia kandi omuringo go mutano gundi inyakira Honorable Mwine mpaka webare kwijja kuheiso mukoro gw'ekitinisa kandi otahire nitwe twongera kusima nk'oku twahurire Chairman Board of Governors nagamba aha Mbarara Community Institute yes omu records 2012 nubwo twatandika kuhereza ihanga eri so ekituriyo ntugamba haha kiyariyo nanyusyaho yanja ngu idea generation yokutandika institution age omuntu ogwehekija mu 2008 tubanze tukitera mu ngaro eco 2008 yagumizamu natambura atyo ubwo yanja ngo ikiyana yongera kunyusiyo yanja taza kandi yefuzi ndukwijo mutawunom atserva magara yanja taza notambara serva magara yam kwaso mwami bindeba yaja tuntutambara hazoba imbatambara hine chinte china ashanjere mu visitors book at one point in time konka kuchajiremu mwami serva magara yagambira Robert atumura abaneshonga yo kujangu nababumba abaneshonga yo kujangu niki aba Robert akayi n'ubwenge bwinje burengere konka nabwe umurubyona umwami serva magara yagume nyuma ya Robert is an academician yaguma namujati humura ayibarjire bona serva magara kaguma namugambire eco konka amwongeraho obukugu kuguma namanya education officers abandi finally mbinte bintu kumanya je kandi nanye binarebero akuba nkija 2012 okwi12 nija nashanga Robert ari mukupangisa obwe turi Makerere University Business School aho mwam Asafu aitwa betu mwina arukutija tibito okoko murumuta Asafu akaparticipatinga omutwereka niche chikutamburo mishu finally kurgen 2012 mbeni ndeba ni ntambura tubetakarebere plan nkejo erukwijambara Community Institute kandi nsime muhanji ahabwe nshongejo ekiriyo nkijo mishu mbenu omujenyi wito mukuru Honorable mwine mpaka naba ninkushaba omushaheji ekintu nicecho kandi okukirukanjerera chebembirwa rumunai bakitekatekereho abashomiro mu Rumbara Community Institute kandi nabazire bitu abakuru kurgen 2012 nabari yayejesha mwena nishaba Honorable mwine mpaka omushaheji na Councillors Bambarasite yona mwije mwebembirwe mwine mpaka mugire kimwa tugambira mwebare munonga Councillors Bambarasite hakuba turi mu Bambarasite mwije twakire Honorable witu DJ tutereyo echo chenyine cyo kumanya Councillors mwije twakire Honorable witu desperately loving you desperately Councillors ejini yoshaha constantly think about you constantly well, look at what you done to me
yebare munonga DJ yebare assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh mukama simwe Honorable MP twakira umwanya ogu umucweka cyawe cyo twire oyebembire kandi cyo twiza kukwasa kugira kiba twakora akusoma kw'abana aba nanga sabwe cyombe keki abeji mukama simwe mwebare kusoma konkani bo mwatandika nisaba mukama bayambe mweyongereyo na masters muzibone amina mukuma magara ganyu ensege yashamire munonga na munongi mu abana bishomero babategerize konkani mu mugende mbetegire turi mu politics obwire bwahwireyo twikirizibwa kugamba betwine konka tare cyo gukora nambwe n'aba kamera mutisasire twaba kitwine ka contribution kacheke tukuza kufitayo taka turi codinga kandi katuletera obuzibu twine bingi bitugamba turi ya mukorogu nanyo ninza kutayita fari y'emitwaro 20 cash mwebare munonga amazina ni Byansi Muhammad Sarongo yesimbira habwa site kansara mbarra site kama nabakunda mwiziro mutima rukwera amina
mukama wita simu amazina ni kansara Mary Mucheri nanye nija ha mukorogu ogo kuteka hita fari kugira ngo babona hibashomera kurungi MP witu abakuru mwe n'abaryaha abebembezi bedini na nabazire babana aba n'abantu bona abarahanuya ka honorable Byansi kuya yabigambire obwire buhireyo konka twasharaho katwije MCO wanyu ne kurya ne kurundarundana abeji mwebare kushoma mwebare kujwara mukuruke byona ebimurabiremu ebine birungi kasita mwahika buhanguzi niza kubateraho nanye itafari ery'emitwaro 20 but it is not uniform obwire numbumanya nubwo kwirukanga esente zatwireho konka nityo kateke hecyo mwebare munonga izina ni kansara Mary Mucheri nyesimbire nchira kansara kandi ni nyende kisange kindi rimbarara City South kansara LC4 akaruruna ko kwa 8 so mwana mutera montere akaruru kandi mumpagire ninza kuboreke kindi honorable MP arai yes so now
yebare
honorable MP mwine mpaka umujenyi mukuru ijani ibugire cyuwagambira abantu bawa wibarese
mwebare ba kansara zabayakira honorable obugaro bwa honorable
the chief guest hadi ligenda mwine ba guest obona na ba chief guests the chief guest the director and co-director the board abagore beri izoba ba honorable kansara zabaryaha hariyo ndisho kansara ninja kambanze muhe chance
webare munonga
otakatandikire sebo ine kansara azabe simbireho okuronda karuru kuzo mu race nani nshaba mwena mbanze mwijo misho mugire cyo mwatugambara edakike mwemwemwe edakike mwemwemwe
okay
then
webare munonga
lindaho omurindo gogo mutano nintwaro mu gisho kwakira omwami Yoram ogo mushija hamwe na mutahi wehe mwemerere nk'ukujya mwemerere mwija hakubuko turya kubareba abantu b'abantu abatorinwe abarabe mbakira ebyo bintu ebirabase kutwisya aha kintecho izoba niryeri kana ninshaba mwami Jonan wano handika mwami Yoram capturing amazina kandi urukutwira yebyo ebyatebwa yebare
webare munonga bwana MC member of parliament wituno iza kunsasira amazina ijo twaturyaha abagenya batayira heri izoba batakana mu kimanya na abagira ngo riya yakubuza mugere ngogu ne byandara mwe n'amazina ni Saidi byandara kansara wachi akutwara hati sereje bwana director sereje ya chindi na Kisenyi akuchicherero mukanso ya South Division so kace munonga bwana director ninkwebaza webare munonga bo kuturetera development eja kandi webare munonga ku training abana babo bakagira imicwe tuyine kizibu mutahu nomu washanga convoy y'abana bine bitenenkoni ati bakatamunango no twara ubushaho bw'abantu nace mwe ninkwebaza munonga abwa discipline n'imicwe webare munonga so mbweno bwa hati byandara Saidi bizire bamwongera aha mwanya bamuhereza sereji eya chairman basime eyitweta Kiswahili bamwongeraho police prisons mbwena abataka ba police prisons abataka ba Kiswahili abataka ba Kihindi n'abataka ba Kisenyisero eshahezi twijagamba ebitukozire abo bwire kandi tuyine n'abagenyi mbwendi mbashaba ngu okwa munana ebiro 18 byandara mwije muzo mugongo aza wayizo bwiro bwe turagambe ebitubasize kora mukamanye nkora yitu mwebare munonga bwana director watweta nankuna hikahande bekintu kisya kibonire konko mu invitation card kibe kitarumu mbwena nacerebera aha kibe kirumu konge cyane kiryaha endebeka nareba kirye kintu cyamana
obutaba mucako no kugira ngo izoberi no graduation konka twika wazana manke 10 haro ekigamba alumni ejinente kateka ya alumni niko kutwenda community itwabashomira turebe community nerebeka nyenchakari yebare munonga
webare munonga bwana MC nabwe kurugerere bigenderwa nebirunje binagamba twafune kintu nkeki bwana director n'abazire mazimantu batorya rengo oruro rwenyini mwenimbe bazabwa planage tindaze harabwo bwire bwana director natandikise mitwaro kikumi namwe natanasiga hecetano kanze kuba ninjiya ibindi ntija kubyondera konka mwebare munonga
jonani yoramu
tingumanyo base kurutarari nkahi
nbaba baryaho
tutagenda nazo zikagwa muzemboga
yebare onarebo byandara Bruno Tenchi
mukama asima munonga amazina ne Echina Shabere Bruno
Alumni
kandi alumni nimpamya
edachika nemwe
bagumemba shabangonyize omu this party yanje nyowendi wa ndi alumni konka still am contesting nga state division kansara ninyesimbire no gomushije konko gu ariyo ompate yito eje ya government ya NRM kandi yondiyo mu side ya Rubazo so mukama wanje
side ya tugambe ekigawumeri kiha
so ekibina cyanye ni NUP tinkuswara kigamba abo kuba ninchikunda kandi ninkunde bigenderwa byacu
yebare
abantu bwena tubashira mbara community abo kandi basobota garka froa konkani zagamba omuyizina ya alumni
no
excuse me sir
nope give what you have and we move on
okay nani ngamaka omunopu alumni imbe natire mtwari 10 nza konje mtwari 10 zibe mtwaro 20 kandi Bruno events neza konjere mtwaro 5 ziba mtwaro 25 abona ba events kandi abantu baswahili chindi police prison senyi amuna mandera tubashaba obwire bwayikire muturebe samisho gemba bazi
Bruno events
kama bampero
for alumni it was already done yebare Bruno sima bongerwa
mukama wita simwe amazina nubanyeta muhezu Richard former kansara ahabwa municipality kandi oyesimbere aha city division ahabwa Kihindi Kiswahili police prisons na Kishenyi bitu ninyenda mbaze tangerere graduates y'abirizoba mwe barokushoma director we barokutweta kandi we barokuteka enteka na batayi bawe okurengwa abana bashoma community yitu yabaje mwe inyowe kizimbeki ekitakatankire nakihereza siminti 10
yarabare honorable siminti 10
ahunye simbere
Jonan recording
ebiri 18 byo kwezi kwa munana nimbasaba ubuhagizi bwanyu aba police prisons Kiswahili, Kihindi na Kishenyi nyine byandara mukama wita simu
yebare
mukama nabakunda
niwe nakunda
mwezamani ga mutima rukwera
niwe gakwijure
mukama
asimwe munonga
obusinge bwa mukama bugume nimwe director na n'omukyara mwena mwebare n'abasima mwebare kunkunda amazina nibanyeta natamba Doreen aza director byo abontumire bona n'abareta bahona reboza bimwareba aha kandi zikabahika omurimo nkagukora honorable witu niwe ninkusima kugumana bakweta okija okabereramo abantu bawe mukama kuha umugisha nyesimbire nanye abwa site kansara bakakwata kakoba wodi bagigita na katete wodi nibenda mu mucyara so nyowe nibashaba ubuhagizi bwanyu nibashaba eshara zanyu kandi nyo wanyo ku rugo muri kakoba mbwene cyo nacyo mumanye ngo kakoba turi abantu binji emishoro nimeri kurugana myinji mbwena nimbashaba entebe ezasite kansarazi natamba Doreen mbene mumanya ngo mutera karuru numane murondora azasite kansara owanyu okurugankahi omuri kakoba kokana narabiremu nimba nintwara na katete na kakoba byona
yebare
speaker wanje basime chairperson webare gumano twakira staff director imwe abarya mwebare development imuresero mwanyogo mwebare munonga mukama baho mugisha obwahwire twaturya azanywe kansotinjira umegesha so ninza kwe mitwari 10 shashureho kashe mitwari 5
yebare munonga ubwaro bwawe yebare munonga ashayeji ninza kweta team yabakakembo twakwakira sebo
Honorable MP Director w'ishomereri nana abakuru b'edini mwe nabo kureba buri yomuwe no mu kitinisa cye kandi mwe bari kubonera mwe bari okunyuma banaye
yebare kusima honorable
amazina ganje ndi Yusuf Kakembo ninye otwiro kansara we cyange cye cya Kiswahili bakabanza bankwasa Kiswahili kindi police prison na Rugazi nabijwekera kandi ko nagarukire bayaho kindi bagihereza handi konka nagumandi Rugazi na police prison konke chwekeki mwani muhurizi na Kakembo ntura ninkora byo kwerindo mu Kiswahili
yebare munonga kandi ukozere
katebekana kandi cyatereraje niye gentungukeji erumu konko bwa hati nyesimbire ku Rugazi cya Potani Rwentondo na NTC abarabe barumu nyotinde muntu mubi tinde munafutinde ki ndiyo mukozi nimbashaba okumpagira abarabi n'abanyabuzare babo bakampa karuru ekindi director ebyanje no bimanya nabo kugira nto bundi nanka konkeri ishomero nanye ndinemo mukono
amamaka kembo banzorebe hari abserore bakireba
nagireba
ekizimbe kiriyo nkijo muri kindi Kiswahili
kare ekizimbe nikija
yesebo
nyo cyanje kakuraganisa korogo mufurejogo malaria chano okutandikiro wabasime Francis okukankai kuri kandi wano hakana niza kuretera 5-year development plan
okagana sebo mukamanje
ecyanje ninza kukorera ogwo mufureje kuruga kuri mpaka kukankai kuri kandi omanyo katandikira Kent Foundation ogwo mufureje kutandika Kent Foundation okuko wabasime ninye nagukozira kurabo mu kitongore ecyabire ntitwa sente nabwo ecyo nanogu ninza gukorera iwo shabire nsinga karuro rero nakwatana na no kititsaho narebo mpaka noza kureba kutangaza mbweno hakanoro rugudo tindarukozere
okarukora
tiwo wabire chairman waro genda mu maso akaruru oye
Ekekembo oye. Honorable Omushaheji twakwakira.
The chief guest, director na co-director, board, abagore b'Izooba, ba honorable councillors abariaha, na ba chairpersons, abazire bitu mwene omutinisa byanyu. Tinguza kushishawire, chokubanza chabyana nimbashaba mu nsasire dress code. Mano bwire bwakaruru twatiriyo mu field konka mutakaja nkano mukoro gwanyu tinago hakitinisa. So nimbashaba mu nsasire. It's okay. Mwabasigazi mwe tumwine shongo ngabantu bita bakuru. Mbweni nyina kubaza ntwara mucho kurusyayo abana bita ba graduating Izooba konka na mnonga kusima bazire babo. The challenge we have in this country is unemployment. Nyenda kusima director na co-director amana gumutire mu kutandika institution and ntureba ni muzahari. Everything that begins to exist must continue to exist to the purpose. Kunkure baimu atandikire hati nkarebe bintu nkebe nikimanyisa ngo muri focus timwe na board numanye chumukora. So nimbasha bangutere management ye institute mu ngaro. Aba bana bita bar graduating Izooba, they have been equipped with more than just a certificate, but most important of all, a mission to survive. Awachina ajirango mission to survive. Certificate ezibatunga ticho chikure chibihiro mu ishomereri. Omuntu okukitamya baju niyo investment eyo ihiro mu ishomereri. Age human capital. Abantu abamushitamya bajimwe basebo na banyabo. That is the biggest asset you are going to get from this institution. Age certificate yes ojine konkane basobuta kuyamba munonga. These days it is who you know. So nimbashaba emkaga imwihiro mu ishomereri mutakajinaga. Mutayi wawe nchakale na asako ali omuntu mukuru akuyamba kwate ha mukono. So hine bintu binje bitwiho mu mashomeraga bikusinga na certificate ezitukutunga. Uganda eji buri mwaka nshoza graduates 400,000 graduates every year. Tune capacity yoko employing only 150,000 kokra statistics za Uganda Investment Authority. Nchimaisa 250,000 buri mwaka tibine mirimo. Kandi bashanga habandi. Mbweni mwe basigaze nabishye aba graduating Izooba mutakaga yemirimo. Nchakore babandi bavuga boda konka ine degree. Tiaga ya murumu. Konka wambuze sente za kutunga buri Izooba. Yonoza kurugana na certificate yawe uze gukora ngo mu supermarket bakwe mitwaro 30. Konko riyo kuvuga boda oshange buri kwezi ariyo mitwaro 9. So echikuru mutakaga yemirimo. No wasako ine certificate. Challenge yitu ino mu Uganda there are many types of unemployment. Konka erukusinga yukuteganisa ni structural unemployment. Nikimanyisa ki numushome bintu bitine katare nare bitine mirimo. That's what we call structural unemployment. There are many types. Konkeriza mu graduatinga echikuru nimbasha bangu mutagaye mirimo. No asakwa graduating mu finance konko tungo murimo mu kindi kintu. Itotkatu ne degrees za IT kunkakaruga ina akore bindi bintu. So mutakaga yemirimo abasigaze emirimo egumire. Irizano mureba ngo graduating konkati mwaza kureba embera yenyine. Hati mwaza kuza a street mwerebere ebizibe ruhu mwene baseho nabanyabo message inambinire mutagaye mirimo. Yenda kusima bazire akasenta kumutiro mbana aba mwebare kushomesa abana banyu. Mubahire migisha. Uwiro kuba certificate mubahire migisha. Tubakuza kubekwasa. So ntubasima akasenta imukihire mwebare mnonga direct iwe uturora munywano wanje na co-director na board nyetingiza kushishawire akombeka kwanyu konka of course kumurakore foundation nimbaraganza kubaretera umujenyi mukuru urachimusi of course waza kureta umujenyi ine kuba ine chiruhu so kumuratandike foundation nimbaraganza kureta umujenyi mukuru tukombeka institution yanyu konkani nkusima gumano koragana na community ya hatukati ino mkoro gwa boda wabaha ogumwanyo tabire osente n'abandi bona so nyo naza kubasigira tinjenda kupledging ebintu bingi so naza kubasigiraho miliyoni emwe cash konka ko muraze kwimusya foundation nabaraganisa kuba ninye nareta omugenyi mukuru tukombeka ekizimbe cyanyu tukabashabira computers nka institute age ministry ya ICT challenge yitwine abatungire contract box supplying computers baketa bariza no manye bya contracts bari mu tribunal hat konka ko barabisorting computers zani baza kuziba supplying ngo kutwaye tubaraganisa nebe bice baseho nabanyabo nimbasima mnonga. I want to congratulate the graduates. I leave you with Matthew chapter 5 verses 14. You are the light of the world. A house built on a hill cannot be hidden. This is your chance. This is your time. Please shine. Baseho nabanyabo rukunde gume onyoni zaguma nimbashura. Nimbasaba munyikirize omuzinaro nagutahansi numati yo muduka duka. Munchirize njende. Konka mwebare mnonga bazire mwebare mnonga ba graduates MC niyo webare mnonga
yebare chija
ba honorable councillors nabembeza bija ko batwera ahori arumo habara mubarebe serisho ryembabazi akwatu nabembezi binja besere abantu bobonka babasa kwija so mbasima nimbasima nanye nkomwembezi wanyu mwebare kombe ka community yanyu mwebare mnonga
yebare umwami honorable mwine mpaka kando tahire no tubera hwaha yoramu visitinga honorable tere honorable mwine mpaka ngaro zamani yebare chija yebare gumani twarmbara community institute kande omuringo go mutano ni nsima abo mwena abijaha aba media ngo twabagambire information yone mkwetaga ine kubera naba nintwaro mu gishogu okwakira Lilian Nabasa
Mukama simwe omuharumwa bahirwa mugisha hina bahirwa mugisha wahirwa mugisha mpubira turebe abahirwa mugisha bonka yamawe we iwe ruhanga yakukunda ndakunda iwe kandi yakuhereza nakuha yakuhereza umugisha atakongeraho umucendo namwe nuweza abajwara muri kayi banzo yemerera mukace yemerera ya mama aha namwe nuweza urecerebe akorire byinshi ruhanga wawe yakuriho mwidara yakutomurindi yakugirira imbabazi zitari za burijo otere ngaro zawe omusibe akwirwa mu gishoko muri kahigurare munkwase terere yesu mu ngaro yama ahatari we zitari imbabazi ze gutari umugisha gwe okabirori nkahi akutira umwanya ogwekitindisa yakukorere byema yemereze mukono yawe kiroti yebare tata weba abeji tumusime tumuterero mu ngaro abireho mama abazire muriyo abazire mu mpubira turebe abazire ya mama muntere ngaro bazine chichiga umugisha gukugamba no kutaruho mukeno we yaba yakuhire yaba urarebe ebironzo byawe byona abazira muriyo umugisha gwoyine hari jiro waguzanira orgenda kukigezaho yamawe tari basa iwe yongereyo otungu abukene barikire akaruru kamukama karikaye mama 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 ruhanga yakukunda we saida yaku munterengaro mazinireho benshi aye yamowe 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 aha yamama mama aha urarero yakomugisha abatakubicenga nibatakabuza nakwebirengera ohurira nokorero mu izina ry'abandi wogwaga batayongeraho mukendo
ago niko mazima ubwarugana abasariyani
karenda yawe nojine
alumni directors Singiro group mwena mwijo misho finalizing eche chintu tuzo mu graduation alumni fraternity come over alumni ngo imwe abatankireho omwogogu kugira ngo turebe Mbarara Community Institute ne shininga omyaka michenko kumukureba ebitwinawo mugire cyo mwatugambira tugumizemo twakire Isingiro group na directors shinge ekintu eki.
Thank you, MC. It is not over until it's over. The chief guest, directors, graduates, parents, distinguished guests who are here today, the Guild Council present from the continuing students. My name is Kerka Bwishwa Gabriel. I have led this team of alumni. We started the dream of making Mbarara community a great. It has helped us to move and pass through the doors that we never knew that we'll pass. I currently working under McDermott Snowpeak in Eco Pipeline, which is 1,443 kilometers from Brisa district that we run up to Tanga port in TZ of our crude oil for further processes and exportation to the world market. So I'm so glad and happy to be here. So I was once a student here. I was the vice guild president, was 17, 18. So briefly, as the time is against us, I represent the youth around here. My message is on all of us, mostly to the continuing students. I will briefly explain education with the football. First and foremost, education is enhancer. Education is ground leveler. In football, we have three people. Mainly, we have defenders, midfielders, and strikers. That is how it is in education. In education, parents, you are playing a big role in it as defenders in the match. Then after the ball defenders, you have brought it to midfielders, who are the tutors. They are already at Mbarara Community Institute. When you reach at the gate, they welcome you. Welcome to Mbarara Community Institute. They equip you with all you want to go and execute your duties as you have after graduation. When you graduate, I want to tell you that this is the place where you have got a career skills that this congregation want. So I might stop from there Then I pass it the mic to our colleague. Okay, as I finalize, strikers, they are these ones who have graduated. After parents giving it about to the tutors, they have given us to the graduates. Graduates have taken a board and have won. That is why I started that it is not over until it's you have completed, you have not finished. So you have to keep aiming higher. I thank the director and co-director for coming out with an idea that a devil itself cannot come out with. Because this contributes on socio-economic development of the country. If someone is here, director should be written in the books of the heroes that has taken a part in developing the country at large, not only where we come from, because after getting skills, we go and develop the areas where you come from.
Yebare Gabriel.
I remain Kerkawisha Gabriel. Thank you. So then, I have here a parcel. We have a forum which is Mbara Community Institute on WhatsApp group. These members you are seeing here, they had already given their contribution. But after reaching here, they have got something inside here. They said they want to give it the director. Then from there, me as a person, I'll give 1 million.
Yebare Chija Gabriel Kawisha from
Then these ones, their contribution, they are also on the forum. I had already given 200,000. Then I will add, then plus this parcel. Director, we have put it here. So we shall appeal that the congregation, the audience, you can help us and achieve our dream. Then, as I finalize, Mbara community is here with us. Mbara community is here when some of us were not here. Mbara community will be here long time after all of us we have gone. Simple calculation in 35, there will be 100 years. It will be 100 years. I think many of us will not be here. So we want to leave this legacy behind. I wish you the best. Let me zoom this mic to Bruno. No. Okay. All right.
Arabaine chokora chona. Umushaheji acharabiro zomuri akatkunda Davis chitambure omuchibecho. Echibecho nachukwasa Davis tambuze chibo ninyachira directors mwena grupu yisinjiro echibo nchichaha mutambure necho haro chindi riders bemirwe muhwezi Rogers murebe akatkunda Davis.
Ninsima muchirundi nge mwezi nibenda gamba oh you are right kare yanjuro gambe chiwa gamba turebe
kama wita simwe amazina generous gift turyakayo ekindi ishemero lya Mbara Community Institute ninsima director no muchara director ni muramu wanje ni rigabo hweje karungu bakamfura ikintu cy'amani nabahe mitwaro 40 mwebare munonga amakaganje gari omuraharo mwebare ndio mushubuzirangana mwebare mukankore cy'amani mukamabaho umugisha.
Amazina ni Sabit Vereriano director njano chumanya kutwatandikira ngiza 2013 rereze kutandika twasomera certificate na za diploma sio nto yembera za burizo nyawe director na kwa trem to ariko
mkama simwe amazina ni Richard Arinda nkashomera certificate kandi na diploma so nyona contributing emitwaro 2
ya mkama simwe amazina numanyita Edgar Kakuba nkaheza 2017-18 na contributing emitwaro 10.
Akatkunda Davis nigo mazina. Nyowe nkashomera aha 2016 no 2016 2017 ninza kuba emitwaro 5.
Amazina Namagembe Diana, Kashomera from 16 to 18, director Wabare Kumfure Chindi, and my daddy Mr. Magara. Nyowankanye nzakweze mutoro 30.
Mwebare mnonga na narjira rubuga okuyaho niza kushaba ujangwe ikintu kitandikire nintekateka ngo ejo mbara community ntendagifura mu university ninje myaka yerubane izo misho konkananisha bajangu nantizire mbya politics so mutakandi anko politics ekina leta ekibwe ekyo twakitera munonga no kugira ngo buri sente yone yoyine abo kwa bibiri niziguri tafari buri sente yoyine ne basakora ki kuje ki yakora so ninza je zinda atandikire waha turabye mu kibo kitu na cyanci basika DJ atereke shongoro abantu muize muteremu buri sente yona ne yombeka buri sente yona ne yombeka kutandikira itafari ya sirinji 2
yabara cyashabire Bruno tamuza umuzindaro gwe tamuze kibeco
Ereza muzindaro gambe rujazi kumuzamu
Amujenyi wito mukuru director Mbara Community Institute abeja batunga izoberi abeja ba community naba ba members b'Kiswahili share hamwe na Chindi share twemerira aha kaba members ngasi abavuji ba boda boda riders sako abatanukiro sako yabo kabavuji ba boda boda ahenyemerira nyoni nyetwa Mwezi Rogers kandi chairperson wa Chini boda boda riders sako hamwe na batahi banje ogu naitwa natuzuna portazio no treasurer witu kandi ogu mpora days narga nyakayezo kan we secretary kandi ogu no kirinzu witu hamwe na tsingwe innocent wa supervisory mwento director nkwatansa ya wetu inena niwe twakuletera emetwara 25 kombeka akizimbi cha horechi bari munonga
nanishaba
25
nanishaba abwe shaha mwikirize ngo twatwagamira ngo buryo muyanira kuko yanje atubwe ntuza kukigera tuta abisingiro muzomisho edakikemo right now immediately ba directors mbene followinga
Bruno gumza munora aba mune kibo cyawe hari yari twe nkanye atarafune muzindaro yebara umwami yoramu twakwakira kurwisingiro
amazina ndi mpumwire yoramu kurwo muri isingiro y'umushaho w'abantu Robert Ninkusima ahubwo kutkunda ukizo muri isingiro watikiraho kandi wagira umukago murungi ngo butatwebwa so nakutandikiraho umuganda ugu nabasa kureta begumya Julius ayakachiko kawe ka board tiyabasa kubaho yagira byamuteganisa yakusindikira emitwara 25
thank you
yo nakoretera umuganda gw'emitwara 10
thank you
izina ndumwebaze Benoni ndiyo mushomesa wa Rubukanga Secondary School Robert kumanya nabwa yoramu kandi Robert omurumuntu yeni nkora nka director of studies za Rubukanga ntuye nikusindikira beja konka mbwe ntinka ngera kwaho abwe kizimbe iki nakuretera emitwaro 20
obugaro mwebare
Mukama nabakunda amazina ndi Francisca Chomhanje Mugizi director na munywano witu mbwenu engome mpango aheri nchete kugamba umusiza kabagambire kitware
amazina ni Mugizi Celestino director natuberaho kandi munywano witu nito twiza kuberaho mbwenu njye wona mucyara wanje twakwizana n'emitwaro 20
mwebare
Nyondo bareire Benoni I am a secondary school teacher, specifically deputy head teacher wa Bukanga Secondary School. nyokonka director tindi director nkimwe nyondo director wasako iba kweta bamwe muri singiro konka ya mstire serving teacher bene kinani mbagambira abana mwima bazwara umuntu twaheza kubaheza kumuzweka buri izoba nose mekore sahigana umwe nakumbuza ato mwizoba kaharuma nina igana niza kuzukora antano homework yawe konka director ni kusimiwe izoba nokore saha nyingi abo kubo ine staff y'abantu nka 30 buri umwe yanakora no ineho contribution na leta mtwaro 20
webare directors mwebare mazima mwebare munonga abisingiro group directors mwena principals oyikwenda kugiye yagamba ajo misho agiye yagamba tumarire program yejo
umwami Robert na twasa director mbara community institute ntukusima okuwija urukugamba otyo kandi ntukunda munonga turkwakira directors nanishaba tutakuteka maka speed then nanabazire na buri muntu wena akwasirwaho na munonga bazire bitu abambara community institute abakuru nabasya
nanishaba abazira bene envelopes omusigazo ene chibo no kuchereta abantu bagamba ni mumuzerete mukuzitekamu kandi directors bantu bamarira nareba Manuel yatahamu muzeyi nawe wisha nabo kwa ine chimo ije kwenda gamba ho kache mbe no mwijera hi akazinda wakaba thank you
nebare munonga amazina Nkamahanga Dennis director wa Shamiri Vocational Institute ahabwe ntandikira regi nja kwansigireho emitwaro 2
webare director wa Shamire
omushisho kwenye majango bo inese ntutu ngamba biche Jimen Yahmachi director mba Discovery College of Engineering and Tertiary Education emitwaro 10 kashi siminti 10 preje
webare director Jimen
mazina Opedo John Bosco Munyangore director wa Crane Vocational Institute rukushango muri Ishaka contribution ya foundation emitwaro 20
yebare bwana Opedo
mwebare Dr. Twamuhebwa Ruben kandi director wa Achievers Professional College Mbarara ninza kumuha siminti 30
yebare director Achievers Professional College siminti 30
abazire ba community mwebare kwiza graduation amazina nibanyetana kaba Bruno Seryarugo director Global Driving School isomero rukwegeso kuvuga motoka no kukanuka byonga aha foundation nateka emitwaro 10 cash mwebare munonga
yebare bwana Bruno
amazina ntuwanje John kandi ntamwire hamwe urugendo na Robert okuyatandikisha mereri kandi twire ntukoragana mwenu bwana Robert koraze kwimusya no kwijana ninkuhereze shaho 30 za simindi
yes webare amazina niraka ni atamasigiri leaders kandi nindga rubirizi ubwo wakuzarwa twena turi abari bemfe kandi ni director wa Spice Institute kandi taksibizo yobwire ikintu narabate cy'chaman kunuya yose mitwara abirirwa
cash yebare director Spice
mukama witase
asimunonga
umwami Robert n'umucara icyo kubanza mwe bare kutwishiriza tukazara neza torire hamwe mwato interesting abana banyu kandi ntekateka tubashwarize kandi ndi one of the board of directors
amina
to the new celebrants mukino rugendo but we congratulate you abazire bakoze urogwabo mwe barabazire bitu mwe bare kutuzara mwe bare kurora mwe bare kufayo mwe bare kuhanda bunaku mukarondo busente mukahera abana omwana w'omwishiki nankwataho munonga mwaza heru mwaza kuronda emirimo please don't trade your bodies n'abeshengereza you have no replacement for your bodies n'obwo omuntu yakuba nakuha ensi yoona taine eduuka ry'okuzamira kubasa nangwa n'okugura akakumaka please use your wisdom that God gave you buri omwe mu nsi ekirihanga yakuteekateekire kutunga wakitaho omutima okakikora noija kukibona when the time is ripe please kandi n'aboojo nabashugama mubariyo please guard those bodies, they are not replaceable. Ekinkubendeza Nirhanga, may the Lord be the lamp upon your feet and the light upon your path. Blessings. Before I put on my contribution, my husband is around. Please step forward. So tindikumanya ebyawe konka nyowe itafari Mr. Robert, it's just a beginning tubyamuheru konka twakwa contribution ya miliyoni 3 andiranga barinde abakorre birungi kandi mutena abana tubashomese. God bless you.
Praise God. Yeah, nyondi kangu misara tushabe kandi nobune akakiko ka bodi konka nimuka kujwekera abantu abarakuruga buhweju niwe ndi omunyabuhweju kandi ishomereri ritushomesiza abana babishiki n'abojo ishomereri rituyambere nka community ya buhweju nambwe for the start yoniza kubanza ndeteho siminti 10 as we move on. God bless you.
Nyowe ndi Emmanuel Mutaremwa ninkora na Mbarara Comprehensive College and Vocational Studies. Ninza kuba imitwari 10 kandi ahanyineho 5.
Yebare amazina Kato Disane Murera kandi ndi academic registrar Dynamic Vocational Mr. Natkwasa na Prejinja Siminti na njakezirya. Thank you.
Mukama wita simwe
Mnonga
nibanyata private professor director private Memorial Junior School ndio mshomesa Mbarara College kandi I'm the principal Vision Training Institute. Neza Prejinga Siminti bags of cement nkibirizonga nubwo mukiri yakutandika humara turukumwe webara Mnonga.
Yebare
amazina Bamwesje Agad ndiye zarwe yantungamo emirimo yanje ninjikorera omu muri Mbarara nka director wa Oxford Vocational Training Institute eri kushango mu rubiri Bwana Robert rurugendo ni manyo buremezi konka kachena kahango ntuza kasharinga ko kufuna time noza kunshikaho niza kwereza mutwara 2.
Yebare
amazina nibanyeta Henry Wambale Dienzaro ya Fort Potro Director Dynamic Vocational Training Institute ekusangwa Kachika opposite Nandara School. Robert ntwire nawe and nanabeji banje think afune center number they are doing their exams from here mbuye nanyeniza kumtwera simenti 5 webade Mnonga.
Yebare Bwana Director
amazina nibanyeta Mugumeka Thibat Director wa Mbarara College. Robert obunywano butwine n'ubwingi so ninza kuprejinga siminti 15 ejo zakira ishomero.
Yebare Muzeyi Bwana Manuel mwijeka cheturebe jisto agamba cyaciruho
Yesu asimwe
asimwe Mnonga.
Izina ni nyetwa Sezi Tumusime mwine kachuchu azanye simbera ba metoma edo C5 cancer abwaton cancer ya mutana konka ninkoranka principal wa Kent Foundation Institute Mbarara eyo mwame Bishop Yora Mbamunoba
kandi bwana Robert tutwire hamwe omwago kuragana se kintaraba sereka nkweje mitware 5 kandi onsasire ndiyo ninjenda kuba ferirwe shwento yanje, so I'm leaving, I am very sorry.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Amazina Arnito Dennis emtwari kumsibu.
Yebare Dennis.
Nyowe ndo muzeyi marungi kandi nko kubagamba ngo nayi numufu oguna kuche kungama nandite sinte nyinjo kumshana numuko wanje nacha kunja nayi numufu yakwata awonya manyi nja kusoga mtwari kumaha konka foundation nza kuta mtwari 10.
Yebare muzeyi.
Amazina ngumosha be Emmanuel ogwe ntatazara ogwe numusanje wanje ukubanza ninye wa kabiri nanye numufu yakwata wabunya nyona mukabanje twatanikisa mitwaro 50 kashi
Webare bwana. Thank you, thank you. Nani shakwa kwa ino nijoro kwenda kwata kazindaro? Aha.
Omuzindaro gunagarkana nanyenda twongere kuterra omwami marunjo mungaro kiyagamba emitwaro 10 ejo ni miliyoni ye sente twongere tumuterra mungaro.
Kwa ari kwenda kwata muzindaro? Step forward. Nkakiswahili landlords.
Omwami Robert Webare kandi umusanzire wanje na nyakombe kaha natahwe mutwari 15 kashi.
Yebare. Chendere cyo ninga hino yona imuka. Yes. Proceed.
Mwebare bantu mwe. Twineda chikibiri kuzo mukoro muhango.
Mwebare. Robert no umumbanywana banje munonga okumanya emyaka 25 kandi nabazire beyibona nabamanya kamunywano wanje. So Robert niza kurondera ensaho 50 za cement.
Yebare Chija.
Yebare bwana Moses.
Bruno kanye sige ngo uriyo no tambuze kintu.
Yebare rumire OB. Nza kuba mtwari 10.
Yebare sebo.
Yebare.
Nyona twasa David Mwine rwa byoma kandi gantungamo ntuni sesomese zampa abana kandi Robert Ogu ni mwine mawe watateye kazi mbunye ndakureze mitwari 5 cash.
Yebare. Okay. Himuka chairman.
Chairman hamwe na
na investor.
Na bausa investor bayingide.
Sebo wajangu watandika. Mukitabo haze mu 10.
Yebare umwana
mitwari 10. Yebare.
Mitwari 10.
Ayabazibwe Innocent emitwari 10.
Yebare investor Innocent.
Thank you.
Dr. Arthur yaja yinechi yakwenda kugambira mukuru wawe.
Webare.
Yebare Chija.
Robert mukureba no murumuna wanje. Mbwe nyo munywani wanje kandi murumuna wanje. Kutoratanike tukuyumusiye ikintu kitu. Nza kutosa imintu 20.
Yebare sebo.
Kandi ikindi cya kabiri ombana bita baguraduatinga. Orundi mu abana babo kuma babiri n'imife mirungi munonga babiri. Tuyinirwa rutanikira ari biraha ntwendaho cashier na administrator. Obaronde mukunda heze obaronde mu office yawe nchaka inza kushira ko bari yatanikire abantu abandwa very fast.
Hurremurumo twetero mungara bashomire mbara community institute hata hono garko ikora hota kafubo tinganye n'imico mirungi ninga kanye
abakamande abacyene bimuka mudakika kibiri katumarire session ejo. Yebare.
Director Webare Munonga amazina Ndiserwanga David Muchibi. Director Webare kunyeta mukoro gwawe abeje bambara community institute nimbasima Munonga aboko banyine business haruguru ninyesigangu nka 95% na customers banje bona Munonga mwe nare ngo icyo kintu nkitandika kugira ngo urugumizemo nyowe nimba nimpura ninyesima mwenu niza kuhereza mitwari 10 ebindi muno bimanye bindi nintebekana so kwa mwenda mitwari 10 niza kugikuretera.
Yebare.
Yebare director amazina ganje no banyeta Jovia Katambara ishomerere ni bawanje director waturetere kintu kikuru munongo muceka kitu turiyo tutandika kora atandike nza kwa cement 3.
Yebare Jovia Katambara aba contribution yawe ejo
yebare director uresere kintu kirungi mu cyangombwa amazina ganjye ni France Kwanda nahereze mutware 5 kashi abanye nebingi nanye bikunteganisa kabe ni pezi kurenga
yebare madame France
madame France
yebare mnonga
kandi member wa Kitwaye Landlords de
mukama wita simwe
mnonga
haleluya
amen
ndiketi mukiza bya mukama director na OB wanje kandi ndiyo mweshongozi wanje aza haji yashabece shongoro you can imagine byashabwa abahaji bakrustayo murayi
shongoro cyawe njija kuzayo humura mukazi
it's okay konka time yaba konka Bruno yajanga burusente na yombeka kandi nanye no mukore birabira na mushanjo kwa mushanjo aji motel ni mbeta mwena kandi students bawe abaraye bari willing ticket yo mutwaro njya kwahereza discount y'50 mbatera y'5 kandi koko burusente rukombeka ko ndargo mu kivro niza kongera haryeze mwe bari mnonga
yebare mnonga ketu mukiza
sampling muri kushitama akazinda
mbereza tore mbereza rausi taro time ekibitire kikora ki abazire mwareba mukana mukimanya ngo abana nabashoma kare mumbereze ngaro tsibe mukama the leading song of concert hallelujah tagereze sida munaku bwawe reka kumano papa twakireba
kibikire dikijunda kibikirwa mukama iwesha bamagara no kugumaho kibikire dikijunda kibikire dikijunda kibikirwa mukama
ebiroto byawe bishabire orindo bunaku
embabazi kwikushuma
nahagira cyakorwa kasita mukama w'abakama haragira ngo kikorwe embabazi kwikushuma protokoli zihinduka amateka nigahembeka konka mbakora bireho ogo mukama w'abakama kasita bare haji omukire kace ko kumberisho noreba nidukorwa ekibikire dikijunda ekibikirwa mukama humura tebekana ura aza mam oyikikane ebiroto byawe bishabire orindo bunaku obwire wagira ngo urahika izoba ryagira ngo yahika esaha yagira ngo yahika ninkurahira no kitunga obwa morodokai omugabo tuyo tukabura yatuma fayiro yebizyo yareba mu yashanga morodokai akaruru kari kahi hahabwe kikorwa kirungi ekiyamukorire buri fayire kabikwade ekibikire kijunda abavibe murahi hamaninya kwenda kumwita ebintu bikamushobaho baba niwe baragira kujeka morodokai emyenda yakitinisa akamurabyara byamu eshara yanje niwe ruhanga bizice hagira wiyabuza tu abahereze mirimo yebare tagereza bunaku na masters nizija bachelors nizija chara pressure digida chara mukama hebe hori no bunaku mugumisirize ndebere niko mubazi nobugurabe nugushara oyikirize tukunywe abari utareba bo kuzire nabo otabo bansigire okireba bo shomire nabo otabo bandabire ebisoma tubyera mu rundugumwe babirya hamutukumwe mazima tubisize barumwe nobusize nebemwe osanga kimwe nikiragara kihire munonga nikiragara ekindi nibwo cyatanaga kusya kiriyo nikiterwa
yebare ketu mukiza
katubugana mu ajipu
ashaheji nza kutwara muri omugisha go mutano kugaruka program turuzo mu graduation obwe ndukusima buri muntu wena ayatuyamba kandi ayatuhereza itafari twetero mu ngaro ahabwa session eje yawayo abazire abagenya besurwe directors na buryo mwena ashaheji ninza kweta chairman board of governors atereze bigambo byehe kandi arije kutwetera umugenyi mukuru aka twadressinga.
Omugenyi waitu omukuru, abantu mwenu mbitinisa byanyu banyabona basebo eshaha zagenda ninza kugamba ekintu agamba hariya kyeki kyonka amazina ganje numanyita Magara Silva ninkora na University ya St Joseph Mbarara Nyamitanga ubwo hati ryo ntwakira abana abakushoma diguri ko kuja wayihandikisa bakwecweka cya bakutera wecweka cya fizi nebyo bice munkirize nsaba kusasirwa eshaha tizaba nyingi zabanke zazo mbindi mbone mutisasire mugenyi mukuru tisasire konka nyenda kutwara mu gishogu okukweta okijo kagira biwagambira abantu abo we bari munonga.
Thank you, Chairperson, Board of Governors. I want to observe protocol, and I will start with that, what the chair, I have taken the apology, it's okay. But why I was becoming uncomfortable, graduation ceremony, good chance I saw very many directors here. Graduation ceremony is an academic function. So once it is an academic function, you follow its protocols the way the Catholic Mass is. Those of you who are Catholics, even when the president wants to go to Namugongo, if you have seen it, either he will come when he has time to wait until the Mass is over, or he times when he first goes to the Anglican shrine, then he comes towards the end. So I want to request the directors who are here that once it is a graduation ceremony, it's an academic function, you do other things later or before. That is, we respect it that way, and it's almost an international thing. But apologies is taken, it is understandable, and the really director, Wakita Fari, that's very, very good. And I want to thank those who have contributed. And you can continue contributing. Other than when you are a politician, by the way, you can send money to him. Of course, politicians, you shouldn't give money until you have come here and they see you and they hear you. You really lose a lot if you are a politician and you give money silently. They will not give you votes. But if you are Nahamia, you can give money without being seen. I have a message from the board, and it is written. I have given a copy to the director, but there are a few things I want to say in this message. One of the things I wanted to say, I think the MP talked about that. The graduates who are our main guests today, as you go to the world of work, don't discriminate a lot, but have value. These days in our teaching, we are emphasizing values and attitudes. Go to the world of work when you know you have good attitudes. Abazire emirimo esigiro mbya vocational education ebyemikono za degree muzurugemu. I have 3 degrees. I'm an economist by training. I have 3 degrees. Konko murumo gunsheme kuba ni inkora nimba economist mu ministry nababine munko muntu umwe ninga babiri aha district nabari yo muntu umwe mbamweta plana. so nani nyendo ogwo murumu ogwe natekwa kubanza yafa ninga yahumura mwanchenga na nintekwa kumurinda afe ninga humuri then ogwo murumu mbe ninye na ugutwara namperize makerere degree ya economics konka nanshomere plumbing buri izoba abantu bariyo nubombeka nibenda bakubakora amizi nibenda bakora amashanyarazi nshomere munonga konka barbu kwe kublowing nyeto w'amashanyarazi tinkajikwataho nintina ngugaza kuntera. So we need more people in vocational education and training than we need these economists. You don't need many people who have studied history. Abashomere dini ba reverend and twenda bangai. You need very, very few. So that is the main message. That we should abandon that degree syndrome. So abana mbate umbye mikono kandi mubate omashomeraga registered. Director, as I have seen, you have a number of your colleagues here. This law is very tough. I want to warn you, this law is very, very tough. It's not going to be business as usual. Yesterday in the afternoon, the Minister of Education, the First Lady, inaugurated the TVET Council headed by Madame Kajina Irene. And you are seeing the choice of people they are selecting. They are not selecting kwara kwara. Eh? They are selecting tested people. She's going to be the chairperson TVET Council, where you must all be accredited, licensed to teach any program or to be allowed to teach. And then our board, Uganda Vocational and Technical Assessment Board, is going to be headed by Professor Doris Okero from Makerere University, I think College of Engineering, and several other eminent people. So, read this law. Those who don't have a copy, if you give me your email, I can even send you a copy, but it's now available. Now, beginning from 15th March, I saw, was it the MC? I heard the MC was saying UBTEB, DIT, no. Those institutions are now dead legally. They cannot give any document, they cannot give, they are dead institutions legally. From 15th of March. So even the assessments we have just done, those assessments we are just going to do in August, the awards will be for Uganda Vocational and Technical Assessment Board, UVTAB, other than the backlogs. So, Nanyenda Kubashaba, read this law. Whether you are teaching a certificate, whether you are in a university, wherever, you must present it under this law. Now, the other message is we want to emphasize training by production. If I asked you, I don't know, Mr. Director, if I asked who made these gowns, are they the students of fashion and design? I was very impressed one time I went to visit Bugema University and the students of fashion and design, and they were putting on their own gowns. Why can't they make their own gowns? And said to those who are going to graduate the department, you have an institution teaching construction, the next primary school, they are getting chairs from Kampala. So maybe as you put up your new building, think about putting up that production wing so that people should know if you want the best person, the best builder, then you come to Mbarara Community Institute. You should look at that way. Mediocres are no longer entertained in any of the fields. So planning by production. The other message I wanted to deliver is that we have delayed the results. That is really for the directors, the parents. You may not need to, maybe also the parents. I want to apologize on behalf of the board that we delayed the results of 2024. 2024, December, because of the reasons I've said. After 15 March, we normally release these results end of March or beginning of April. But after 15 March, the boards were disbanded, so we did not have a board. We want the people the practitioners, the employers to take lead. And that's why even curriculum now, they gave it to us as a board. We are going to make this curriculum, but we are going to involve more people who have been in the field. So do that. I also liked your motto. All of us, knowledge is wealth. I don't think any one of us studies to become poor. All of us study to become rich. You want to become an engineer because engineers are rich. Do you want to become an engineer and you are bothering with your self-certificate in building construction because you want to be poor? I don't think. So knowledge is wealth. We should endeavor to get more knowledge, get more skills because we want to have more money. My profession, I don't know whether there is any economist who is poor. Have you ever seen one? If you see an economist who is poor, then it means it's not the education. He needs something else. It is his character or whatever. I don't want to say he's bewitched, but you can't be an economist and be poor. So those of you that are the graduates, you can't study building and you become poor. You are moving from office to office. You want a job? No. Whether you have a degree, go to people's sites. You can even first pretend to be a poet and hide your qualifications. But when they see you doing good work, they will later give you the job. Most of the people, those of us who construct, some of us have experience in construction, yet we are not engineers. But we don't ask people's certificates. We only ask, hey, this one, who roofed for you? And then you say, Nahamia roofed for me. You don't ask for his certificate. So please, the skills, the attitudes, the value you have matters a lot. I don't want again to say a lot, but I really want to thank everybody. Abazire agamashomeragi agatehandikise na ministry batakariye sente zanyu nubaza kuriye esente zanyu mutewe abana aha muheru epapura tubakuza kubikira ate inaba kuza heru people who go outside. There are embassies that get back to us. So don't masquerade and give people. The program must be approved by both the TVET Council and then UVTAB. For that, for God and my country. Thank you.
yebare munonga omugenyi wito mukuru Dr. Nahamya Wilfred graduates beri zoba nanishaba tuterere omugenyi wito mukuru mu ngaro otereba oba utankire na certificate uriya diploma konka notanika na certificate uza diploma uza bachelors shoma masters nyenche karutu addressinga or doctor nkoku yabagambira ni doctor wa economics kandi niwe nokibasa nkibasika otashitama ukateka teko certificate ninga diploma ina afuneri izoba na ina akome niyo nshonga abwe nchintu gumantu baretera abantu ngabo kandi baba hamsiriza babagambira ibo babagambira abazire nabeji tukuraterecho mwebare munonga ashaheji kurabiro muriwe omugenyi mukuru nabanishaba academic registrar ishaheji twaza mukoro ogomani academic registrar otutware omushure itwazamu ntuburwa idakika mukaga kuba shamwenda ombinku manyaje nka chief guest okuyagamba na academic registrar witogu abitwire mukana manya kana wonu graduate wa Makerere University echinku manyaje ngo atura na hurra abatamba shomebyo turabye umushija mukuru webarecije
Our chief guest, sir, allow me to present you the following graduates for various disciplines. Key note for the graduates. Keynote, as I read your program, you'll come over. Ladies, you will keep your caps up. Gents, you are going to remove your caps as a sign of honor. Thank you. Our chief guest, sir, allow me to present to you the foreign graduates who have successfully completed and satisfied requirements for the award of National Certificate in Accounting and Finance. Nisima Rita, Nwahereza Tryphon, Chatwire Shakira, Katrabe Glorious, Natasha Everin, Gashaba Ruhanga, and Akanjuna Pofia. Please come over.
Calling you tonight. I wanna make you show me. Make me know the fight. I don't wanna sleep alone. Wanna hold you tight. But I fool my eyes. But I'll be alright. Forever. On my laptop. On my keto. On my sheet on. Say them go feel it. Them go run it down.
By virtue of the powers entrusted to me, I award all those persons whose names have been read the National Certificate in Accounting and Finance. Congratulations.
Our chief guest, sir, allow me also to present to you the graduates who have fully completed and satisfied the requirement for the award of National Certificate in Records and Information Management. Agawa Blessing, Igabire Bonus, Natasha Joan, and Asasra Shivan.
Say them go feel it. Them go run it down. Them go hold it. Them go. I'll be talking to myself, and I don't even notice. She got me feeling like a zombie, and she they shoot like Chuck Norris. The way she put her body down, you got me falling truly. I just touched down. When I see you
By the powers entrusted to me, I award all those persons whose names have been read the National Certificate in Records and Information Management of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
Our chief guest, sir, allow me to present to you a graduate who have successfully succeeded the training and satisfied the requirements for the award of Diploma in Business Management. Honorary Amutuhire Peace.
Modernization, chicken from money pressure, street orientation. Modernization.
By the authority entrusted to me, I award that person whose name has been read the National Diploma in Business Management of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
Our chief guest, sir, allow me to present to the graduates who have successfully completed training and satisfied the requirements for the award of National Certificate in Business Administration. Asimo Kreya, Musimenta Caroline, Champire Honest, Abigaba Maureen, Nisima Sharon, and Achio Alice.
Nigga sharp bro, oh my nigga sharp bro. Cover face like badger. Get feel like but we know they cut. Sit up boss them tap tap tap. Pass for the shit baba. Oh my ego.
By the authority entrusted to me, I award all those persons whose names have been read the National Certificate in Business Administration of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
Our chief guest, sir, allow me to present to you the graduates who have successfully completed training and have satisfied the requirement for the award of National Certificate in Journalism and Media Studies. Tibalabalam Sandra, Kalisa Joab, Wamkama Agnes, Atwile Init, Yakuma Anson, Akangwana Precious, and Chogabirwe Makirin.
Anyway, anyhow, you know, say you go feel me. Is it money permission to enter the street? Yeah, yeah. Anyway, anyhow, you know, say you go feel me.
By the authority entrusted to me, I award all those persons whose names have been read the National Certificate in Journalism and Media Studies of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
Our chief guest, sir, allow me to present to you the graduates who have successfully completed training and satisfied the requirements for the award of National Certificate in Secretarial and Office Management. Namala Shiba, Tumushabe Crispina, Nakajiga Nisfa, Chirabo Rosette, Nahabwe Sophia, Omucha Anna, Nakawesa Agnes, Kanshabe Lilian, Babidia Jessica, Nyakato Joan, Katsime Fiona, and Muhechi Confidence.
The point in life, if you understand me or not, misunderstand me or not, me, I'm okay. I'm okay. And if you think I'm wrong or not, long as it's what I want, me, I'm okay. I'm okay. Cause who are you to judge me like say you be holy past? I did love my life, get my peace of mind, I did try survive.
By the authority entrusted to me, I award all those persons whose names have been read the National Certificate in Secretarial and Office Management of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
I be like Terminator. I did deliver. I pass it up time.
Chief Guest Sir, allow me to present the undergraduate who has successfully completed the training and satisfied the requirement for the award of National Certificate in Information Communication and Technology, Bakunda Julius.
I owe nobody an explanation. I don't need nobody motivation. Now my happiness consign me. Happiness consign me.
By the authority entrusted to me, I award the person whose name has been read the National Certificate in Information and Communication and Technology of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
Our Chief Guest Sir, allow me also to present you the undergraduate who has successfully completed the training and have satisfied the requirement for the award of National Certificate in Public Administration and Management, Beronda Edwin.
Don't let nobody play with your confidence. Your confidence. Oh, who are you to judge me like say you the only pass? I didn't love my life, get my peace of mind. I did try survive. We all be sinners, my party, nobody only bad. And my happiness comes first. I never come like to stress. Yeah.
By the authority entrusted to me, I award the person whose name has been read the National Certificate in Public Administration and Management of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
Our Chief Guest Sir, also allow me to present you the graduates who have successfully completed that training and have satisfied the requirement for the award of National Certificate Administration, Katunje Aaron and Babichinjira Benson.
Sweet melody.
By the authority entrusted to me, I award the persons whose names have been read the National Certificate in Social Work and Social Administration.
Sweet melody.
By the authority entrusted to me, I award the person whose name has been read the National Diploma in Secretarial and Office Management of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
Our Chief Guest Sir, allow me to present you the graduates who have successfully completed their training and satisfied the requirements for the award of National Certificate in Building and Construction. Bahat Jacob, Akangwano Marvin, Aisibwe Duncan, Sekabela Mahad, Garintambela Peter, Omicha Smith, Mugisha Ronald, Nwabine Rabban, Tumwebaliza Rogers, Akampura Rioda, Amanya Simon, Akantona na Pedison, John Ismail, Chichoncho Darius, Bakunda Kasbat, Atwine Justus, Akatwebwa Nicholas, Mwesje Paul, Nwaireza Gabjer, Gumisiriza Joseph, Kabandize Godfrey, Nwagaba Bosiko, and Mwechi Yesu Puritazio.
Sweet melody. Telling me what I owe you. Telling me what you wanted me to give you. My darling, what is it that they told you? Telling me how they be fooling you like on you. Telling me how they be fooling
By the authority entrusted to me, I award all those persons whose names have been read the National Certificate in Building and Construction of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
Our chief guest, sir, allow me also to present you the graduates who have successfully completed their training and satisfied requirements for the award of a National Certificate in Automotive Mechanics. Ayesga Stewart, Abahiku Bakurunji, Natkwasa Ivan, Kawa Brian, Ayimsasa Verno, Nasasela Simon, Yamucha Richard, Mans Bright, Nahurira Brian, Waheleza Victor, Uwaboshobozo Nicholas, Mujabi Ronald, and Ayinabiona Hirare.
Isabella, Oboro Isabella, Joe, I didn't tell ya. The Kayamata where you do me, they walk. Kayamata Tilaka, Creepy Pity Juju, where you do me Tilaka. On top, me no know why you be feeling awkward. My combo, she carry la carita.
By virtue of the authority entrusted to me, I award those persons whose names have been read the National Certificate in Automotive Mechanics of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
Our chief guest, sir, allow me to present the graduates who have successfully completed their training and have satisfied the requirements for the award of National Certificate in Plumbing. Kemi Charilian, Adushkam Kama Gribat, Namatans Meron, Katube Francis, Saidat Kasim, Atuzichura Alex, Nisima Vastina, Nanjera Imelda, Chewakanya Stanley, Nwatwa Shanita, Tuchirizo Lois, Ankwasa Timosi, Musingus Albert, Kanshabe Shanita, OK Simon Peter, Rutahaba Benson, Ahabwe Simon, Bijurwa Pius, Asingwira Michael, Noahereza Doreen, Rado Godwin, Kanshabe Shina, Arenda Kenneth, Shabe Baker, Areva Nicholas, Amanya Crescent, Mwesiga Gaston, Namakura Joeria, Akatkunda Brenda, Akatkwasa Dixon, and Sechimur Ashraf.
Another banger, baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me, young girl, oh young girl. No, tell me no, 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 oh, 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 oh. Baby, come give me your lo, 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 oh, 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 oh. You got me like whoa, 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 whoa. Shawty, come give me your lo, 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 lo.
By virtue of the authority entrusted to me, I award all those persons whose names have been read the National Certificate in Plumbing of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
Our chief guest, sir, allow me to present you the graduates who have successfully completed their training and have satisfied the requirements for the award of National Certificate in Equity Installation Systems and Maintenance. To make us Jacqueline, Kemenembe Goret, Nsimire Lilian, Kagumir Iverson, Mujite Godwin, Mose Noah, Asime Bernard, Ankunda Shivan, Tugume Abel, Wamkama Osbat, Nisima Jadres, Rugogamu Joshua, Sande Ambrose, Tumwesti Alex, Tare Manabos, Atuichire Jackson, Tembo Anthon, Abenitwe De Gracious, Agaba Peter, Kasigire Edison, Nwasingula Tayewa, and Kasasra Godfrey.
Waiting me up tonight, I day Yankee tonight. Make a play with your tonight. Now me and you tonight. I'm so hungry tonight. Make me happy tonight. If you smoke back it tonight, then I'm gonna give you back it tonight. Yeah.
Oh, baby, I'm feeling good, baby. Don't know if you feel it too, baby.
By the authority entrusted to me, I award all those persons whose names have been read the National Certificate in Electrical Installation Systems and Maintenance of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
Then I fly you back to Nigeria by dawn.
I got you cool now. Me and the fire and alone.
The Chief Justice, sir, allow me to present to the graduates who have successfully completed a training and special requirement for the award of National Certificate in Fashion and Garment Design. Nawela Susan, Nisima Vicky, Nimwesiga Aaron, Karunji Grace, Namkasa Bashira, and Akankunda Nusura.
Now which kind life way I never see? I carry God so I fear nothing. Steady increase in the commas. Comma.
By the authority entrusted to me, I award all those persons whose names have been read the National Certificate in Fashion and Garment Design of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
The Chief Guest, sir, allow me to present to the graduates who have successfully completed a training and special requirements for the award of National Certificate in Cosmetology and Beauty Therapy. I name Bas Christine, Nankwasa Emre, Ainom Chameria, Ampria Debra, Namkunda Pane, Narobe Gasharwa, Gashen Jacqueline, Ishimo Fortunate, Ainamas Madebra, Ainamas Kohirda, Harima Anua, Baberia Everin, Musimenta Sharon, and Atwire Angerin.
Living life, see my fire burning bright within the inside me. Small leeway, they mighty, they never know I color. No the more fine, check and balance everything inside my mind daily. Trust me, you can't fool me. Energy don't got logo, who are friendly and conscious. I'm allergic to so I'm not ready for confusion. They're telling me make I show love, stability on bono, everything a connection.
By the authority entrusted to me, I award all those persons whose names have been read the National Certificate in Cosmetology and Beauty Therapy of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
Our Chief Guest, sir, allow me to present to the graduates who have successfully completed a training and have satisfied the requirement for the award of National Certificate in Tourism and Hospitality Management. Chisa Joshua, Rokich Doreen, Nagasha Doreen, Ichibarukunda Esther, and Mbiriwe Jackson.
Everything a connection. I'm not ready for confusion. Things happen inside life. Try to make I live my life. Dreams come true. If not fight the fight, make you no go tired. Fire they go. You need to put your body and soul. Leave your worries alone. I don't stop.
By the authority entrusted to me, I award all those persons whose names have been read the National Certificate in Tourism and Hospitality Management of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
The Chief Guest, sir, allow me to present to the graduates who have successfully completed their training and have satisfied the requirement for the award of National Certificate in Hotel and Institutional Catering. Tuichiriza Javira, Agumosha Olupa, Kemicha Maureen, Ankunda Olivia, Murunji Bavia, Nachibuka Christine, Mbaho Joseph, Tuonjibwa Roida, Akankunda Anita, Nayeva the Fortunate, Nagasha Joan, Nasasara Brian, Chwahirwa Makrin, Tayebga Victor, Arindemu Kama Charity, Sempala Haruna, and Arinitwe Moses.
Modernization, chicken from money pressure, street orientation. Modernization, from money pressure.
By virtue of the authority entrusted to me, I award all those persons whose names have been read certificate in hotel and institutional catering of Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board. Congratulations.
Oh my nigga, sharp bro. Oh my nigga, sharp bro. Cover face like Nagbaja.
Chief guests, sir, allow me to present to the graduates who have successfully completed their training and have satisfied the requirements for the award of a national certificate in early child development teacher education. Singwire Rena, Katushabe Edita, Kansime Everin, Josimir Judis, Tugume Prose, Chatwira Inid, and Nwaheliza Ain.
Oh, party, see what you carry. No more any money, make a body gonna wow. Give it to me sharply. Don't say for me, oh. Baila, mommy, I could do this all night long. Don't, babe, carry me the go, babe, carry over, no, babe. Shake it in the end about you. Don't, babe, carry me the go, babe. Carry over, no, babe. Get it in the end about you.
By the authority entrusted to me, I award all those persons whose names have been read the certificate in early childhood development teacher education. Congratulations.
Our chief guests, sir, that's all make the total graduates of 180, whereby we have 85 males and 95 females. For God and my country, long live UVTAP, long live Mbara community, I remain Kiza Yosam, academic registrar.
It is at this apoca timing that we thank our AR, Mr. Chiza Yosam, for the session that we have gone through. We give him a big clap for the activity that has been done. Engaroza Yosamu, academic registrar. Graduates have been turned into graduates. Are you graduates or graduates? All of you, Mwijo Misho, DJ, Terezeyo, Echeche Shongore Chobusinguzi, Twena Twijo Misho, Ejiniyo Shaha, Ngokuna Nabagambire, Omunyamakuru wena, Omuntu wena aine echokwata Omuntu wena aine echokwata media eshani eji nani shabatteko mubwira graduates we move forward here tuteze bishani byone bikwetagwa kana ni shaba mwebare ku graduatinga ebigambo ebyabagambirwa mutambure nabyo kandi murebuke mwabito munkora.
What is it that they told you? Telling me how they be fooling you like only.
It's your victory. It's today that you have graduated. Go serve the nation without any kind of corruptive hearts. Never you embezzle funds of the officers. Wherever you go, make it a point that life is there for you. This is Mbara Community Institute 5th graduation. Mwebare bachinda na bachikazi kujwara ibijware mwajwara murashobora be ambassadors barungi aba institution eje muhereze ihanga kandi muhereze kurungi. Kurumuntu wenda kuteza kishana chikwatiri na graduate aina kutereja shaa Bruno events mukore chichira korwa Eshani eji DJ Hurcha Eshaheji tuaza kushara keki yitu ahabwa graduation yitu yo murundu gwa katano kandi abatarabase kuza misho nduza kwimusiye mukono yitu eshani yeji akagofira ko kwasira mutwe kuregere ko businguzi bwa wanda no kihaho okerezo mwanya Bruno twate bishani then tutambara omuringo go mutano director tebekanisize Orange abajenyi bitu abesurwe mutasiga Orange nabashaba nabeshengereza tutasiga Orange izoberi nka Ngoktu tairizire twaza abajenyi bita bakuru bebembire chief guest academic registrar principal director chairman board of governors naba bari mu academic procession hamwe na abakwasirweho twiriro misho ubwo aba Bruno events muri kutwatara ebishani byitu birunje ebyo Ndwija kutandikira hari itano nka graduation ceremony yitu eriye ya katano kuturika hari yemwe shareke kiyitu abo mukoro gwitu gwerizo. Hello, are we ready? Tena abatakwikaho tutekeyo engaro zitu kandi graduates berizoba ubugofiro tubujure tubwerezo umwanya nkakabonero ko businguzi itano ishatu ibiri Emma! Congratulations! We have every reason to celebrate on this day. That's our 5th graduation ceremony at Mbara Community Institute. Gonna dance.
Music on trendybeats.com.
You know, this is one of the gowns you'll ever put on in your life. We have 3 graduation, we have 3 gowns you can put on. Thank you very much, parents. Thank you, guardians. Thank you, graduates of this day. Thank you, the stakeholders. We are.
I will never leave your side. I will never let up. I dedicate my time to you. I don't need the at all.
Gonna dance for the kind of achievements you have gotten today. I can see the happiness that are on the faces of the graduates. Mwebare graduatinga, mwebare kukorera zamu, mwebare kubika. Ushika wayi watanjiro mu nasare nkima basomere nasare batari nkitwa batanjiro mu church school. Mwebare kusoma. Bruno events ekishane ekibemerera nkyetaga munonga. Graduates. Muevare. Graduates kumara kuzina ntuza kwemera apeva zaho connection tiku. Chief guest at dissolving a congregation. Kutumizamu. Mukurkeyo. Mwebare kusoma. Izaver nurukuru aha muzire. Izaver nurukuru aha mweji. Okwatararire tushoni. Okwatarajire mbuyayi. Okwatarabasize kuzomu suru. Koka kabasa graduating arizoba. Mwebare. Abeji. DJ. Wakumano tere chidongo ejineminyeto mito turamare echitwetaga twakwemerera peva za ifaho tufune chishani tere chishani Bruno abana yibari bano yiwa tere chishani tere chishani echahifo ebyasigaro birgo Bruno tere chishani echo tugende abwizoberi nsima abantu mwena bijo mukorogu abwizoberi nsima director na co-director nsima graduates nsima bazire nsima mwena bijaha nsima aba mweno kumwijantu basima continuing students ababandi service providers mwena Bruno waheza omushaheji nintwaro mu kishogu okwakira Reverend Bandi Erkwija mutwakire tukutwara ababa bari omu academic procession Reverend atushabire kandi ayakurira omukorogu adissolving graduation yegisha mwebare munonga.
Let us humble ourselves for the word of a prayer. Our Lord and loving Father, we want to thank you for you are faithful and you are good. Yebare watu ebembera omukutandika twenda kusima ahabwa bishe mwaba abaruga kujwekwa ebihandiko byabo nkoko babishomire aba certificates n'aba diploma myogeta kushana obundi aba certificate nibebuza konko mu kigambo cyawo nobuza ngo nohori kugaye ibintu byane bitandika nambe no batandika bebembero bagabire okutsahi barahendeje bana bataho bahise buhoro nambe no mukamogwa balinda bakizo mushana gwa mishoje mukamuhereza ubusinje bw'enseje takwasa kwereza the peace of God that is greater than we can understand. Keep your minds in the knowledge of knowing God and loving Son Jesus Christ, and the blessing of God Almighty, Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit rest upon you, our dear members. Omuchogo guza abazire banyaba bashashurire fees, omuchogo guze aha sponsors na spouses banyaba bine, kandi omuchogo gubebe mbere gubahise buhoro makaganyu, kandi omuchogo gumena Mbara Community Institute, gumena omujenyi wetu mukuru kugaruka Kampala, kandi omuchogo twena gutaka turugaho hati no kisebero byo.
Amina. Obugaro bwa Reverend twakira chief guest hasero mukorogu kandi ngo kuyagutandikire gukakoma mwebare munonga.
By the authority entrusted to me, I hereby declare this congregation dissolved.
Thank you very much, Dr. Wilfred Nahamya. Nintwaro mugisho kumanyisa buri yoma ryaha omuzire graduate na buri yoma yesu rwo mukorogu. Tutaruga mu mwanya ogu lunch okurabiro mu ruhanga kanda kwasizo mwami natwasa Robert na numucyara we mwena numwetwa okurya lunch tutargaha. Ninja kutwaro mwoga go mutano director chairman board of governors na principal hamwe na academic registrar batwebembire abinagamba bonka bagenda office ya director kwihamu ebjwaro ebine then ntwijagarkaha abantu mwena baryaha hatagira yimuka ntuza kukorekerera okufuna ranchi hine abeja bine kirabaha nanisha bamucerete so fast mucerezeyo ahe mukwenda kucereza tutambure murakeho tutereyo ka music okay tukusibura. Graduates, you can take your seats. Abazire nabesurwaha twine ranchi kandi nanisha bamutakitsigira kubane yanyu. Director na co-director mwakire kirabo cyanywa ekikuruga ombeji kandi ko twagambire news reporters buri muntu wena akutekateka nga ine kwatikuru aine kuba narkwataraha ataja yakuratara director nabaine a office director nani nkushabo mukire kace koraza office orakeyo. Omuningo go mutano kutandika na tenti ejeji ninja kutandika na tenti ejikana nimbashaba yone kuturya ngo kunabagambira buri omwar atebekanisibwe nani mbashaba tukurate omwami Prosper yimusya tenteji kandi kutorarga tenteji ndwija kuza tentejo tuza tentejo turukutambuza lunch yitu ekitukorecho no kuja ngutazara ini tukamaraho bwire. Prosper mirembe mutambuze abantu abo ahabwa lunch yitu. Mwebare munonga Mbarara Community Institute ne Kahangare abantu mwena bijana mu Kahangare mwebare kunda Mbarara Community Institute where knowledge is worth. Nimbeneza birungi omagara genseji Mbarara Community Institute staff numwetagwa aha dining. Mbarara Community Institute staff numwetagwa dining kandi nishaba buri muntu wena yijo mwanya ogu atarigamu atafunire ekiyarya.